think we'd be lagging sometimes though. Hey, we got a couple people waiting. Let's go. Okay, we got 2 people waiting. What's up, guys? Is this live? Mic check, mic check. 1, 2, 3. How's everybody doing today? Happy Saturday, first of all. Hope you guys are doing great. Oh, and everybody dipped already. Okay then. Okay then. All right then. Well, hey, happy Saturday. Let's get this started. Got big earnings this week, and wanted to just do a prep watch list and stuff, and answer any questions or kind of work through some of these stocks. We have pretty good names. I think majority of the ones I'm interested in, you can see I've already highlighted a few, are going to be Tuesday and Wednesday. Thursday is not that interesting, honestly. There's a few, like Illumina, which I just picked up, like, I just noticed that it was there, but I don't even know. I was just doing some quick DD, and I think it's like $20 move. But Rivian will probably be the one that everybody's watching Thursday, but these are the ones I'm more interested in. So if you guys have ones that you guys want me to start with first, let me know. And then that's it. Yeah, this is going to be kind of chill, just asking questions and giving you guys my opinion. Obviously, none of this is recommendations, so definitely go back and do your own research. But feel free to ask questions, and just do me a favor and hit the like button and comment down in the chat. Feel free. It's it's chill. I'm not gonna judge you. No judge zone. But I'll wait a little bit, see if anybody wants to show up. If not, I think the main ones that I'm actually like really interested in and most likely will end up playing, it's gonna be Roblox and what was the other one? I'm very interested in Dutch Bros. Last time I wanted to play it, I didn't play it, and really regretted that. I think it took a big dump. And then Rivian. The only thing with Rivian though, I want to play this because of Lucid's earnings. Like, it was just so bad. So I don't know if it's too good to be true to play Rivian. The only thing I'm concerned is like everyone's gonna be watching this one, so market makers can maybe like manipulate that and like kind of screw everybody out of a good earnings play. So that's the only thing I'm hesitant on. And then Coinbase, I think, is also going to be a good one. And then Palantir, I have it on there, but it's kind of too late to play it. This will probably have to be a post-earnings play. I honestly don't know. I think they'll probably actually go down after earnings. And Upstart's actually something that's interesting too. I don't want to cover too many, but if you guys definitely want me to cover one, just let me know. And then Plug's actually a good one too, just because of energy. So don't know if I'll actually play this one, but I think it will definitely be interesting to at least take a look. So what we'll be doing is we'll start with the chart. We'll take a look at the chart. We'll use unusual whales for like flow. We'll look at the expected implied moves. We'll look at just flow and stuff. And if you guys have questions, let me know for sure. We'll also take a look at some of the IV crush, just to kind of give us a better idea of how to play things. But yeah. And if you guys want to check out the unusual whales stuff on your free time, I'm gonna plug in the I'll put a link in the description for we have a sale going for 15% off, so definitely take advantage of that. I think that ends this weekend on the 7th at midnight, so you have some time if you want to use it. But I'm gonna put that link on the chat as well. And what do you guys think is gonna happen this week as far as like market? I think we've had a pretty insane rally. 15% off right now. Let me type that in for you guys real quick. You guys think the market keeps going? I'm gonna make a poll. I'm just curious to see. Obviously nobody's in here right now, but it's all good. It's all good. Stock market Monday. Stock market Monday. Yeah, and we from that north side. Green, red. I can't say unchanged because it's gotta stay green or red, right? Yeah. So green or red, just curious to know what you guys are thinking. And then I pinned the Unusual Whales link in the comments and also in the chat. So I think we're ready. So nobody's going to really talk on this one, I guess. I'm going to have to take the lead here, like always. It's all good. I've already marked up the ones I want to cover. I think, which one can we start with? There's obviously a lot of good ones. Bumble, I think, might be interesting too. It's just, so the reason here's a few ones that I want to play, right? Bumble is also like interesting, but the reason I want to play like Roblox, Dutch Bros, Bumble, even Coinbase is, I mean, we've had this insane rally, right? So let's just start with like Roblox. Roblox is probably going to be my favorite play. This thing is, I think, overvalued at this price. They're bringing in like how much? 600 million revenue, right? We'll take a look at some of the stats too, and it's a bit. But last earnings, they were trading. Let me go to the daily. Okay, we're on the daily. Last time they were trading around $25. They ran up, right? But down here, I think it's trading around the previous earnings. So right here, which is where they should be valued at, right? And then after the earnings here, they really didn't like do much. So I think the fair valuations is down here like in the $30 range. So I think it's going to be a great opportunity. I'm going to try to keep the position small, of course, but yeah, this, and here, let me just show you guys. We're going to go to stock analysis, and I'll show you some of the metrics that I look at. And just to, this is a very highly profitable company right now. Obviously, it's more risk on right now, but I don't think the whole thing is done, right? The recession talks, it's barely starting. So up till 2026, this company is still not going to be profitable. They're going to be negative almost $1, which is a long way from profitability. So yeah, and just the revenues isn't impressive. They also are like an ad revenue company. So I know it's a gaming company, but I think they have advertisements and stuff. So that's definitely going to be impacted by the supply chains and just people like cutting back on advertisements, right? So, and what I mean by supply chains, a lot of manufacturers or like companies are having supply chains issues and stuff, right? And just demand's going down, so they're cutting back on their advertisements. So it's just kind of a chain of command it affects everything downstream basically. So revenue per like a year is like about 2 million, but let's look at the valuations over here. PE ratio is not available because it's not profitable yet. Price of sales is a 14th. Like, this is pretty high growth right now. I think usually like stuff around 8 to 10 is a lot more attractive, but yeah, it's still pretty expensive, I would say. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So yeah, I think the first thing, obviously, I don't think the flow is gonna help very much this time because I was seeing a lot of bullish flow. So I guess the main thing, we see pretty much a lot of call activity. There was something I noticed. I mean, I might need to cut back on some of the premium range. I saw a lot of calls being like, yeah, just a lot of call activity. Let me see if I can find it. Where was it? Yeah, so here's a good example. So the COPE is going up, the gamma is spiking, so call buyers are stepping in. There's a lot of bullish flow coming in. So my opinion is I think we run into earnings, like we keep going up just because of where it's trading at. Things like 49. I think it's going to want to test that 50, 52 range level. And then earnings is 50-50 almost. And I'm going to be playing it to the downside. So Monday, Tuesday probably keeps going. There's a lot of like call activity here. So just I think the bulls are going to try to push it to 50. And then maybe some people will try to cut their losses or take their profits, right? Because it's had an insane run from 25. It's like basically 100% run from last earnings. So I definitely think this is going to go to the downside. Obviously not financial advice. But and it's also kind of an ascending wedge here. I don't know if you see it here. Let me know if you see the vision here. But basically kind of, so that's what I'm saying. Maybe we get one more leg up to about this range here, 51, 52 range. And then we take this dump here. I'd be happy with 40. Even 35 would be a blessing, but I think the implied move, which is probably something I should show you guys. So let me go to unusual whales, anticipated earnings. We're going to pull up Roblox here really quick. And 15%, almost 15%, 14.5%. Shit, my computer just started heating up. Okay. So we're going to do 1 minus 1.45. That's 14%. So what's 85% times the 49.24? It's basically 42. So I would, yeah, see around this range here, around 40. I would even say 38 to 42. So somewhere around here is probably where I'm expecting. So we'll definitely take a look at the chains. That's probably something I should pull up now, actually. Let's go here. So all this is, we're doing all this through unusual whales, by the way. So let's go. And from here, from the top, we can see where most of the volume is being priced in at. So obviously, the most recent chains are going to have the most volume. So you see 812, this is earnings week. So like way more volume in these, like 4 times anything else. what option chains I would be looking at are definitely going to be a week out. Maybe get a small position in the 812s, but I think if I'm going to play this one, most of my stuff is going to be on the 12s. Bro, what's up? Hey, Gord Carson, bro, next to talk about NAS 100. Yeah, we can talk about that. And maybe that's what I should have started with. Maybe I should have talked about the market. I did talk about the market conditions yesterday. I think we're waiting on that data for Wednesday. I guess we could do that real quick. We can do NASDAQ. But anyway, let me just quickly wrap up this one real quick. We're going to do more in-depth on Roblox, even though I kind of gave most of the DD already. I would be looking at like the 40s, honestly. These have the most open interest. These are the 819s. These are cheap, brother. But if you want to play it safe, or I wouldn't say safe. I would look at maybe 45s. These are a little bit more expensive, but these will probably make a little bit more money. Yeah, these are probably the ones I'm going to look at. Honestly, 819, you have an extra week after earnings to get down to 40, which is going to be beautiful. So I'm really leaning to these. I already have these on my watch list, actually. Hella bearish, honestly, right here. You can see the breakdown there. But yeah, we'll come back to Robinhood. Let me talk about NASDAQ. What's up with NASDAQ? So NASDAQ, I guess we can go up here to the top. I got my indexes here. NASDAQ here. I haven't actually charted this in a while, so what's up with this? Ooh, spicy. So we're under the 200 moving average here. It's the first thing I noticed, the 200 moving average. So if we can cross this, I mean, we can continue going on a rally, right? Because our main support was down here at this level, like this level here. And we really don't have any resistance back for a while, actually. What, another 1,000 points, basically? That's pretty crazy, insane. Let me do, yeah. You know what's also crazy, too, is this also looks like a huge head and shoulders, right? And where is the head and shoulder? So this is the big head. We have a shoulder, and we have a shoulder here. And this is the neckline. So what this is right here is a retouch of the neckline before the full breakdown. I don't know if you guys know that. Let me show you guys a picture of the NAS, or just a head and shoulders pattern. Head and shoulders pattern. Let's do that really quick. There's examples. Sometimes it retouches the neckline. Sometimes it doesn't retouch the neckline. But there's examples here I can show you really quick. What's up with everybody, though? Everybody chilling today? Happy Saturday. We vibing. This one's going to be a chill, like hella chill. Oh, here's an example, kind of. Bottom after head. What? Oh, no, okay, no, that's not an example. I'm trying to find a good example. There, this is perfect right here. So you got your shoulders, right? I might need to expand this, actually. Bro, talk about the NASDAQ. Yeah, we're talking about it right now, but my brother. Oh shit, I didn't mean to do that. I was trying to maximize this. So here's an example. Don't allow. You got your shoulder, you got your head, you got your shoulder, you got the breakdown, then you got your retest of this neckline, and then you have your full breakdown. And then the full breakdown is the length of the head down to the neckline, which is this right here. So this could get nasty if we get rejected. You know what I'm saying? So let me know. Am I spitting facts or am I just bullshitting right now? Come on now. It's always been like, it's always looked like a head and shoulders, and this is actually across the board too. SPY, I believe, has the same thing. Everything's going to look very similar, right? And even if it's not a head and shoulders, this one looks a lot cleaner, actually. This is a more cleaner. You got a more broad shoulder here, you know, more obvious, right? And it's a head and a shoulder because this didn't retouch the highs. If it retouched the highs, then it would be a little bit weirder. But even if it's not that, then you kind of are ascending. Like, it's been a steep rally, like... And we have data coming out Wednesday, which kind of lines up to that. Sheesh. So those are my predictions there, obviously, but not financial advice. We could keep just breaking out and gassing. But I don't even actually think we're technically bullish just yet, just because even across some of the other indexes, you know, we're still underneath the 200 moving average, which is pretty much the, I mean, I wouldn't say the strongest, but the most reliable for me, honestly. I like to look at the 200 in the daily and the 1 hour. So yeah, once, like, see if you see on the 1 hour, you basically confirm these trends, right? So you bounce off of it, you continue trending, and then it's probably gonna want to retouch it somewhere. But yeah, that's just some quick DD there. What you guys thinking? Am I talking nonsense? Let's go back to the NASDAQ though. My boy wants the NASDAQ. NXD. This one work for you, my brother? Oh shit. The NASDAQ, all tech looks actually stronger. Like, I like to look at QQQ. but the tech looks stronger than the SPY and stuff, honestly, just because we've already gotten above like major resistance levels down here. Like right here, this is resistance that we have as support now. You basically confirmed it there. So it looks much stronger, and we are kind of technically bullish right now, even though we're in a bear market overall economy, bearish. And I think everybody knows we're in a bearish market. That's why maybe some people are confused why we've rallied so much. But things can change, guys, just depending on data. The market's really driven on data right now, so things can change especially on Friday. You guys saw some of those job numbers. They're really high. So we still have tons of jobs out there. And that's basically not helping with the demand. But let me go back to NASDAQ. I tend to freaking go everywhere like a dog chasing a car or something. You guys remember that from, what's his name? The Joker. Yeah, it's like, I wouldn't know what to do with it if I caught one, you know? Yeah. So I don't really chart the NASDAQ, but it's really similar to the QQQ. We have the resistance that basically became support here, right? And you guys retested it there, bullish. And really, we don't really have much resistance. Let me go to like the daily to get a better idea. But where would the next support resistance be at? What are you guys thinking? Where you guys want me to mark this stuff up? I think it would be like up here. So we got a little bit of room left, but I think we'll probably retouch this 200 moving average on this as well. What is this, NASDAQ? Yeah, NASDAQ. So what's up, Gore? Is that what you're agreeing with, or are you disagreeing? Where are you seeing us going in the next couple weeks, or this week's particular? I think most of like the really good earnings are out of the way. Amazon, Google, Microsoft, like the big boys. AMD. I don't know if Nvidia's reported yet. I don't think they've reported, but I don't know. Semis have been like hit or miss. Really, I've been bearish on semiconductors now. Even after AMD, they beat, but every semiconductor's been lowering their guidance and stuff. So looks good, man. What's up, BA? Yeah, this is I think the first time I've seen you in here, my brother. Welcome. Yeah, it looks good. So what do you mean looks good? Like, you agreeing, or are you bullish? You bearish? How we feeling? I got a little poll up at the top. Let me know how you guys are feeling. Everybody's feeling bullish for Monday. Yeah, I think we have like maybe one more day for bullishness here, because we have data on Wednesday, so Monday's still like that small window where you can still try to, you know, squeeze some of the bears out. But then Tuesday, reality's just going to start hitting, I think. Maybe we start pulling back. Yes, sir. And I have to switch to the NASDAQ. On the NASDAQ 100, it's already touching it, so it looks like it's getting rejected. So we could come back down here again. What you feeling though? Yes, sir. But this is the head and shoulders. Like, overall big picture, I feel like we have some weird ass head and shoulders neckline retest or whatever. But what stocks do you guys want to talk about? I briefly talked about Roblox. I'm actually bearish on it. I think that's going to be my play of the week. I was talking about it in Twitter, but I haven't actually done like the full breakdown on it. So we can start with that one if you want. Or Upstart, we can do Upstart. Disney, Disney will definitely be interesting. And I think Disney might do good, actually, because they have the parks and stuff. A lot of people went on vacation this summer, I best believe. I saw a lot of people on Instagram posting their little Disney trips and stuff. Plus, they have their subscription stuff. I don't know how their subscription will do, actually, because Netflix did pretty bad. So Disney's might be a mixed earnings, honestly. And I don't know what their guidance will be either, actually. I don't wanna let go. Girl from 734. So Rivian, Disney, Dutch Bros, Bumble. I don't know. I think I'm bearish on it. It's pretty expensive. Or Energy, this is bullish. So let me just give some quick ideas, actually. Let me do quick ideas and we'll change it. Let's do calls. Calls are probably here for sure. I think plug is probably going to be the best one. Oh, and trading does too. This is just initial stuff though. Okay, so let me do Roblox puts. I probably shouldn't mark this stuff out, but let's talk about Roblox. If nobody has any tickers they want me to look at first, I think they just wanted me to do NASDAQ, but I don't know if I covered that well. It was just basically we have a little bit of room to go, and then maybe we start getting that bull rally turning into bearish, which is basically similar to this, right? And then we're going to start doing this again. Steep decline. Didn't we have data around this time frame also? I don't know if we did, but yeah. All right, so let me talk about Roblox. Let's go to 1 hour. I like the 1 hour. I've also started liking the 30 minute. 30 minutes, something I'm trying to incorporate. But yeah, this is an ascending wedge, and like I said, we've been doing this thing here. So I think we have a small pullback, right? And then we continue going up to this 52 range, 51. And then I'll probably get my puts here. So on the activity, the unusual whales, that's where you kind of see there's still some bullish activity. Let me maybe mark this out here. These are all 805s, but so these actually expired this week. But for next week, we have this one, the 60, which I think is a trap. I don't think that's real. Then 65, I think some of these are traps. Obviously, this one's bearish anyway, but this one I could see being more realistic. The 56s, people maybe trying to day trade those. And then that's it. Those are the only big ones. So I think it continues on Monday, and then you best believe I'm going to give me a couple puts for earnings. And that's it. All of these expire. These are 805s. We have like hardly any puts Friday. We had no put activity really. We can take a look at that too. Let's see. Roblox. So there is like some profit taken. So people are selling their $50 calls, it looks like. So they're trying to get out. And then there's like a big one that I guess people either are like selling. So this is more like for premium. I think they're collecting this because it's buy to open or sell to open. So that means that those contracts weren't out there yet. So somebody obviously like had to sell those contracts. So there's definitely people not expecting Roblox to close above 52 this week. That's what it looks like. But how did we do last week? I think we did decently, pretty good last week. Let me pull up the stuff from yesterday. This is the Discord here. I think we did all right last week. I was talking about what we did on earnings last week. Let me go. This is what we did last week. I think AMD puts, this is the one that really messed me up and like really defeated my confidence going into the rest of the week. Elliott management, they fucked me basically. They started pumping out their own shit. And that was a bad earnings, I thought. But yeah, they pumped it up. So they fucked me there. Then oil, OPEC fucked me up too. But the earnings were really good. I don't know why oil just took a dump. I didn't play Uber, but basically Uber calls like transportation. I think all that was going to do good. Moderna killed it. And basically they still have like really good forward guidance, I think, because I didn't look at the earnings and stuff, but just me like economy wise, I think they're gonna probably try to get their hands on the monkeypox vaccine, or at least try to get some hype off of that, and basically try to run up the stock price. So yeah, the calls on Moderna were good. Lucid puts for sure. We did the calls and then puts. So the thing I saw with Lucid was basically, let me go back. So Lucid was like an ascending triangle. Maybe we can do that one real quick. I honestly don't know where. Yeah, so we were like trading here, I think, on last weekend. I said maybe get calls and then get the puts. Because on the overall picture of this, it looks like it's an ascending triangle. Let me zoom out real quick, sorry. So yeah, it's got an ascending triangle basically here. Then here. So maybe one more leg up and then we finally break down, back down to 16. Yeah, it's crazy. The Lucid people, the Lucid crowd, they keep buying this up, but dude, I would not touch this. It's the earnings were so bad. Like you can see it was trading around 20 and then it opened up at 18. It's just the earnings isn't good. Like they cut their guidance twice already. But people keep buying it up. I don't know if it's the YouTube gurus or stuff, whatever. They keep pumping this trash up right now. But yeah, people are gonna be bag holding for a while. I think this is going to come down to like 15 again, obviously. Don't know when, but it's definitely in the future, I'm thinking. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And actually, this kind of looks like a head and shoulders, doesn't it? You got the shoulder, the head. maybe a shoulder here. And it's, yeah, so maybe it doesn't even make this run up here no more. Maybe it just starts breaking down, because it's been touching this ascending support like 3 times. It's strong, it's like, it's insane. But yeah, I just noticed this head and shoulders here. Oof, that's a fucked up head, but you feel me. So here's the head and shoulders. If it breaks this as support, maybe it comes back and retouches it, and then it fully breaks down. It comes back down to $15. That'd be juicy puts right there, my guy. Plus the earnings that's behind it, so a lot of the premium pricing in that move is out the way, so that's good. I'm definitely gonna actually add Lucid to the watch list now that I think about it. Let me go ahead and put that shit down on my handy dandy notebook. I just gotta find a good pen though, you feel me? Lucid, just keep an eye on it, right? So keep an eye out on this ascending support. And let's go to the OBV. We can do the thing with Lucid though, there's like tons of history around there. Like this support level is like really strong. You can even see off the volume profile here is like, it's like strong support. That's why when it came down, people's, you know, there's just a lot of history here. So it ain't gonna be easy, but it's, you know, hard work pays off. So if they can get this knocked down, then basically really 1780, I would say it's more of a better line here. Yes sir, yes sir. That's the 1 hour, by the way. And obviously I'm bearish on it because it's holding underneath the 200 moving average now. So it could retouch the 200 moving average to confirm bearishness, and then we finally come down. But yeah, I'm bearish on Lucid. I don't think they have any good catalysts coming up. The only thing that can really hold this thing up is the indexes, which I think are like extended. So yes sir, yes sir. All right, puts at some point this week on Lucid. We'll figure out the chart. Let's move back over to some of the earnings for show. Roblox, I've basically covered that. I said I know I keep talking about it, but yeah, we got one more leg up. Yeah, we got the drawing. There we go. Very nice drawing there. Let's see if we can find anything on unusual whales that's interesting. We can just mark out the puts real quick to see where the flow is for calls. Oh, so see, this is all the calls here, and towards the end, they're either selling, taking profits, or collecting premium. This is the big one. This is the big order, so I'm going to just put a little heart on that one. And here's a 285 size. They're selling the 56s, so these are even bearish. So maybe these are actually like day trades, because I know we talked about the 56s, these right here, right? So I think these got probably day traded, or maybe they're just, you know, collecting premium. The cross orders I don't pay attention to, because it's basically, if you read the description, it's basically somebody buys it, like somebody bought those 1700, and at the same time somebody sold 1700 somewhere else. So it's just fake noise. It's the way that they taught me the cross orders work. So yes sir. Most of this was early, by the way, early morning. So really what this does is like, it just gives like fake noise, but from like, I guess if you were to like look at the 63s, right, for 819, let's go to the chain for 819 63s. You would see like some weird ass activity, right? But you can see it's like actually nothing there. So it, like, from people like just looking at, you know, Robinhood chains or something, or from Webull chain, they would see, oh fuck, there's like tons of people buying the 63s for some reason. Something big's gonna happen. But if you actually look at that order, it's just you know, just fake noise. It's fluffing up the stock basically. It's like making it look like there's something coming in, but it's not. It's not. So yeah, definitely check out Unusual Whales. I got the link down there, 15% off till August 7th. If you use my link, you guys support the channel and you get that discount still. So anyway, these are all calls. Towards the end, started taking some profits, but for the most part, there's not that many puts, I would say. Yeah, see, there's not that many puts. So that's why I still see there's maybe a little bit more upside. These are puts that are being sold as spreads. So let's take a look at these. These are for the 812s this week. Buying 51 calls, selling 43 puts, and yeah, so nothing really here, honestly. This is probably the biggest order here. It's a 51, so maybe probably taking profits. Let's look at the total open interest on these. 1,500 volume, 200 open interest. I might just watch how these carry over. Just see how much of this volume actually sticks overnight. Because I do think Roblox will hit 51 or $50 this week, like Monday or probably Tuesday, just depending on how the futures open and stuff. If the feeling's real. So yeah, but bullish technically, right? Selling puts right now. But then we'll see the flow on Monday and see how that's acting going into Tuesday. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And then let's take a look at the, did I talk about the implied move for Roblox? I think I did, right? Let me see, implied move. Yeah, 14%, so down to 42. Let me clear some of these out. Oh, fuck. That's why I can't do the, now I gotta manually delete these. Because, I switched tickers before clearing out my stuff. Okay, so implied move was 14%. Did I already do this on the handy dandy? Yeah, 42.10. So let me just mark that out. Like somewhere down here. Do something like around here. Really, anywhere there is fine. And that's because we got history here too. So that's basically where we're doing to the downside. Let's just say they beat. It would be 1.145. That's right, times the 49.24, so to 56. So 56 is, let's see, where is that? 56 up here, right? I would say. Actually, no, it's not even there. Down here. What's up with everybody though? Everybody's hella quiet. They told me, excuse me, they told me to do the live stream at 12 because people would be awake by then. Let's see. There's no history back here. I forgot this was like a recent direct listing. So yeah, if markets continue strong, then, and you know, obviously if you can retouch this 200 moving average and claim it, get above it, so something like, and it could even be a false breakup, but yeah, it hasn't even touched the 200 moving average because we haven't had that many trading days on this one. There's a lot of room here though, like this right here. There's like really no resistance. With the 56, somewhere around here. Why are you on that side, bitch? So this is probably the area that's looking to go if it beats earnings. I have no confidence that it's going to do good for earnings, but yeah, it's just it started doing this crazy run for a while. It did great consolidation here, so that's gonna do a nice leg up. But I was gonna show you guys the implied move for this. We're gonna look at the IV crush. Go here, earnings, implied move, and crush. 12% is not bad on average, but this time it broke down to 23%. And at the chains, now let's take a look at the actual chains. Because if it's really real. Okay, so 819. Let's look at the 812s really quick, see what happened on Monday. I'm looking at stuff down here because that's where the implied move is. So there's obviously a huge amount of open interest down here at the 40s for this week. So the 40s are good there. And they're actually bearish. You can see they're leaning bearish. It's like a 2-to-1 bearish, like about 60% bearish. And then there's more activity down here. But yeah, I think 40s or 45s would probably be good. And yeah, there's a lot of volume here for the 45s this week. These are pretty expensive, but you can easily do a 300% if it comes down to 40s. Hey, what's up, Keith? Obviously GME and AMC Green. What's up, Keith? What's my favorite Kanye West song? Oh boy, dude, I got hella songs on Kanye, my guy. Let me look at my Spotify real quick. Some of this stuff is like, let me see what I got hearted on my Spotify for Kanye. Spotify is a great company, by the way. Great stock. I got 58 songs liked for Kanye. Jesus Walks is good. Never Let Me Down. So, I like some of his old stuff actually. Even his new stuff, Donna. His Jesus Lord Part 2 is good. He brought up a whole crew like Figo. He was like underrated, and now he's like actually on his tape. Moon with Kid Cudi, I believe. Yeah, his stuff was good, my guy. Big Brother was good. This is like old stuff though. I think probably my favorite is probably Can't Tell Me Nothing though. Like that's just, it's a classic. Like I know it got famous by the Hungover, or actually The One. Have you heard The One? This is like Cruel Summer. Yeah, with Big Sean and 2 Chainz. That's a good one. What's your favorite song, Keith? Yeah, there's a lot. Diamonds. Yeah. Hey Mama is good too. That one hit me. The Hey Mama. Just because his mom died and it like really fucked up his whole like mind, his mental like insanity. So yeah, did you see the Hey Mama live by Kanye? He did it live. That shit, gave me chills. I've not heard The One. Yeah, it's a chill one. I think I was like, I don't want to say it. I was like depressed back when I was like right out of like high school and stuff, so I was playing some of that shit, my guy. And yeah. There's like, I don't know, I just had phases, Family Business. Oh yeah. This is family business. I like that one too. Hold My Liquor is good too. This is a classic though. I Can't Hold My Liquor with Kanye and what's his name? Chief Keef. It's a classic. Yeah, that's a good one. Look up Hold My Liquor. I like Ghost Town with is it Ghost Town? Yeah, Ghost Town off his other album. But anyway, tons of bangers, brother. Where he got super emotional. Very beautiful. Yeah. Yeah, he got really emotional on that one. Oh, dude, his whole dark fantasy one is a banger. Runaway, like, I'm an asshole or whatever. Like, yeah, nah, yeah. Blame Game was good, and then he's got Chris Rock, I think, at the end of that. Like, oh my God, where you get this pussy? Like, I'ma download that motherfucker. I'ma shoot a bootlegger. Yeah, that's a good one. Anyway, Devil in a New Dress, Rick Ross, all black tux, shoes lavender. Like, yeah, all the lights is good. Sheesh, Gorgeous with Kid Cudi, yes sir. And then there's another one, Dark Fantasy on there. I think that was good. That's like, can you take me higher? Shit, I'm not the one to be singing that chorus though. Yes sir. Hell of a Life. I like that one too. I got it hard to hear. That's good. It's not one of my favorites, but I like everything he does with Jay-Z is pretty good. Everything he does. Yeah. I like True Love. Have you heard True Love with Tencent? That's a woof. Yeah, rip Tencent. Sad. Yeah, that's new though. I mean, it's not new, but it's a new like release on Spotify. Yeah. No, and then the kids see Ghost. Yeah. Woo! Don't get me started, boy. Anyway, do you guys have tickers you guys want me to watch? Or yeah. We're talking about Roblox. No hard feelings, but these feelings hard. See, now I'm listening to Kanye. Appreciate you, my brother. Yeah, we on the Kanye vibe. Pete broke up with Kim or whatever. Yeah. I don't really feel Pete, man. I think Kanye needs to keep a hold of that ass. You feel me? Kim is bad, brother. And she lost weight too. Like, she was like hella thick, like back in like a couple years ago. She was like a little too thick for me, but now she's like cleaned up herself, like, I think. Yes sir. Hey, Tesla Flow. Tesla Flow's hard, my brother, but we're gonna pull it. I love Kids See Ghost Town. Yeah, yes sir. Let's look up Tesla Flow. I need to put timestamps on this so that way people watching this later can break this shit down. We talked about Tesla yesterday, actually. When we pull up Tesla. What did I say about Tesla? I appreciate you, brother. Hey, appreciate you chatting it up. Yeah, chat it up. Yeah, look up some of those songs though. Hold My Liquor is like, I was depressed back then. Sheesh. I wasn't drinking, but I'm just saying. It's like, I can't hold my liquor, but these bitches can't hold me. And listen, like, it's in a slow motion though. It's like, yeah, that's a good one. Like, Kanye's just been ahead of his prime though, honestly, the whole time. So what I was saying here with Tesla yesterday, we broke out of this pennant, and then the distance is like this length right here. So basically up here. So right now, we were talking about coming down to 340, or not 340, 840. It's 840, 850. Just retouch that 200 moving average, and then possibly keep gassing up. Tesla flow is like hard to read, honestly. We have to go like big premium on this 50K at least. I did see a lot of bearish stuff coming in at the end. So let's make sure. And then there's like a lot of bearish. So that makes sense, right? We're coming down to 850, 840. So some of this makes sense actually. 830s. Obviously, I don't think they hold these. These are just day trades. Tesla's like the one stock that people like trade, you know, just to make that cash money bread. So yeah, a lot of bearish. Oh, I have the fucking calls turned off. Let me make sure. But yeah, there was a lot of puts coming in towards the end. Let me just go back to, I like seeing that red on here for real. Like last couple minutes, 222K buying 840 puts, short term, right? So these are 812s, and then another 8. I don't think these get held. These are just state trades. Obviously, the big one's the 222K, 120. This is 790. This is puts. Like they're selling hella puts. I think that's just taking premium, because I don't think Tesla will close at 790. So they're just collecting premium, I think, right? They're just collecting premium. They're collecting 100K on premium. I doubt Tesla. Now this one's a little further outdated, so a couple weeks, but that doesn't mean they have to hold it till 819. They can close it before. So yeah, these are all the puts that came in, 819, 815. These are going to be great day tradings. So basically we're going into the 812 week, and then so yeah, these are great because you don't have too much time where it's like it doesn't move, the options don't move. Yes sir, a lot of puts. Let's look at the calls now. Let's just look at all the calls now, only the calls. So 915s, 900s, we're trading at like 965, but these are far-fetched a little bit. And then 900 for 819. Don't exactly know. These might be buying them, even though they look like they're selling. These flags aren't like 100% accurate, by the way. So you gotta do your own research. And yeah, the 875s are realistically something good. Where's the big money at though? 500K right here selling. These look like a spread. So let's look at the spread. Buying. These are bullish. So they're buying 50s and they're selling 65. So that's a bullish credit spread. No, a bullish debit spread. Yeah, call debit spread. That's a bullish spread. They're basically spending like almost $1 million, and then they're getting 600, so they're spending like 300K. And we can actually look at that here by expanding the options calculator built in with unusual wells. Where the fuck is it? Yeah, they're paying 973K. They're getting 700K. So they're only spending like 200K on this strategy or this play, and they can do a quick double up, or not a quick double up, but 86%. It's like 100%, almost 100% play. And these expire on the what? The 12th. Okay, so these are short term too. Yes sir, but I like to follow the flow after I look at the technicals, right? So it does kind of give me more bias, and maybe that's like my downfall, because sometimes I'd be taking L's. But if markets are weak leading into the CPI data and stuff, then I think we retouch that. And then depending on CPI, you get your calls, and then you start running this back up. So that's basically some flow breakdown. Hopefully that helps. What do you think, my man, official Chris Flair? Woo! Yes, sir. You know who Woo is? Oh, look, see? A lot of bearish cope coming in at the end. Well, the whole day, really. Let's be real. So, yeah. Yes, sir. But Tesla is just, it's got so much money, bro. And once it does that stock split, it's gonna have so much more money. Yeah. It is what it is. Tesla, let me add that to my list. So we have, right now we have lucid puts. Well, I'm not gonna say we have lucid puts. I'm gonna say we're watching for lucid puts. Tesla short-term bearish, right? Maybe second half of the week we start looking at getting some bullish calls or something. What are you thinking? Oh, I saw somebody hit the like button for the video. Appreciate you. If you guys don't mind, just hit the like button. Yes, sir. And welcome to the good life, like we do. I got to shine. Oh man, that's a good one. It's a classic though. You know, one song I like is the Ultra Light Beam. I think Chance the Rapper's on there. I say Chase, but Chance. Hallelujah. I love God, so Jesus, praise the Lord. Hallelujah. Yes, sir. We want the Lord. We on the Ultra Light Beam. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What's next, people? What's next? So I'm gonna type in some stuff up here really quick for us. Lucid puts, and then we're gonna do Tesla puts, then calls. This is just the side plays over here. We're gonna put side plays. Deliver us. There we go, right there. Well, Lucid's not straight up puts just yet, but you guys know we talked about it. Let's talk about earnings plays though. Oh, Rivian. You already know what it is with Rivian. Puts, bow. Don't have to do much on that one, but we can. Rivian, yeah, let's do Rivian. I'm honestly just a big bear right now. Let's be real. But Rivian, the reason I want to do puts on this is because of Lucid's shitty earnings, and it's not going to be much different with Rivian, I don't think. This is doing the same thing, really. And yeah, I appreciate Keith commenting and saying he appreciates me. That's what's up. Appreciate you, man. This is also in like a nice little wedge kind of sort of, right? So maybe he's got one more leg up. But by, end of Thursday, you get the puts. And then hopefully you print. That's what it's looking like. And it could retest, like this is the monthly level here. So it can definitely retouch it and then keep going. So bullish right now, but for earnings I'm gonna be bearish. That's what I'm looking at. Why, oh why? Yes, sir. Obviously I don't think it keeps gassing up. So yeah, that's what I'm looking at. Rivian here. What's the expected move for Rivian? Let's go look at. I haven't looked at it actually. I was gonna say I think, but I don't know actually. 11.5%. So let's look at that. Let's do my handy dandy calculator here. 11.5, is that what it said? My guy, I gotta stop. My loose like 88 to the downside. I was gonna say I lose like my mind's so forgetful. 3150. It's down here. Down here. Yes, sir. Let's mark that by red. 3150. They don't know. Yeah. We on an ultralight beam. And then to the upside, let's do the upside too, actually. So I think we come back up to 38 or at least 37, retouch that, and we can possibly double top or retouch the high of that resistance, the wedge there, right? My daughter look like Sia. You can't see her. What is it? Oh shit. 1.1, right? 1.115. So 39, almost $40. Right, 1.5, yeah, okay. So about $39-$40 up to this range. We'll just mark it. This little life of mine. Glory be to God. Let me look at the chains for Rivian. Just peep the Rivian flow. A lot of volume here, like 2 times what's going on. The thing with Rivian, it's been running already, like hella running even before the earnings was announced and stuff. So that's why I'm leaning bearish. There's calls with about the same amount of open interest, so they could be closing some of these out. These are $38 calls for this week. The thing you gotta be careful with Rivian though is the earnings is until Thursday. So like up till Thursday, it can still run, is what I'm trying to say. So it's kind of hard to look at flow right now for Rivian. It's a little further out, but we'll still look at it. I'm gonna look at 819 calls, or I mean 819 puts, because if you get 812 puts or whatever, and let's say they have bad earnings, but they don't actually move till Friday, your premium is gonna be fucked basically. So that's why I give me that extra week. So it's still bearish, but I still have like a whole another week to capitalize on that move. Like let's say it's bearish, like bad earnings, but it doesn't really move as much as we think. A lot of that IV crush is gonna kill your premium. So it could definitely move down on Friday, but at that point it would have been just better to just get the puts that day after earnings, not here, right? So if I'm gonna get the puts for Rivian, I'd get a week out, just because it's so close to expiration, right? Obviously, you can get a few lottos, but I have to play myself safe. And we're talking about 32s. These are big, the 35s. These might be the safest, right? And these are probably the ones I'm gonna get actually. Rivian. Also, let me note, like leading into earnings, some of the premiums are gonna hold. Some of the chains are gonna hold their premium because it's got the IV priced in with it. So even if it goes up huge, some of your puts and stuff will still hold that value because there's still implied volatility in them. Or they could even go up actually. So even let's say you get something here for like $1, it could be like $1.05 here, even though the price has stayed the same or maybe gone up a little bit, just because people are starting to bid it up or ask it up. Yes, sir. All right, so Rivian, we're gonna do puts, and I'm looking at 35s for next week. Those are a little expensive, but maybe the 33s are nice. Let's do 819s. 819s is definitely the chain I'll be looking at, and then either 33s or 35s. I like to play stuff safe. Also because Lucid did have a bad earnings, but they didn't really move as much as people were thinking, right? Because I think the implied move was down to 17, and they only went down to 18. So, but these are nice, brother. The 30s, yeah, these are nice. A lot of open interest on these, probably the most on this chain. You ain't got no Yeezys. And then the 25s, I don't know how realistic these are, but there's a lot of open interest on these bearish. Let me look at these to see when that open interest started coming in. So a lot of that open interest has already been in there, so they're probably back holders. Let me look at these. This one. This one's pretty much stayed the same. It could be back holders too. They've been slowly increasing, getting out. So maybe the 30s might not. These one might still be risky, like I said. Still, we said 32s. I would definitely look at these. Let's look at these 35s. These are probably the ones that are building up. What's up? It tried to join the Discord, but it said invalid link. Oh shit. Yeah, I think I deleted that link. I can post one right quick. The only thing I did is there was like people that were joining, but they're like just like being quiet and stuff, like just lurking or just not being active. So I did a paywall now. It's like a $10 paywall. It's really just to support the channel. It's not like, and yeah, it's not like $40 paywall or something, like, because it's not like nothing impressive, right? My Discord is just a small little people. But let me give you the link here. I think I have a link. Actually, let me pull it up. I think I have it on Twitter. But just message me and I can get you in it. I'm gonna post it here. There we go. It's there. Yeah, and just message me. I've put it on there on the chat, my guy. I think that's the right. Is that not the right one? But let me make sure. I think I posted the right one now. Yeah, I added the paywall though, just cause I don't know. I felt like I was being like just used. Like I was like, just I don't mind helping, but people just like hit me up for plays and stuff, and I don't know. I was just feeling used and unappreciated, you know. So I was like, I think my time is worth something, you know, and it also supports me, you know. So it is what it is, you know. And I don't have many people in there, honestly. It's just we got like maybe 5 or 6 people that are active. I haven't really been pushing the Discord anymore because I added. Yo, what's up, Jimmy? Hey, Jimmy. Yes, sir. And actually, I just got a Discord notification. The Dash is live. Referral program Dash is open. Oh, okay, let me peep that real quick. We're looking at some of these plays, Jimmy. What's up? What's up? Which one you wanna? I know you like that Celsius one. You gonna be playing it or not? Let me know. Let me know. Dun, 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 dun. Here, Chris, I'm gonna upgrade you, my brother. Just I guess the only thing is just like I just want people to like be active in it, you know. I don't mind yeah. I don't know if you have other Discords and stuff. Let me get you this link real quick. There, you should be in there, my brother. Hey, check it out, Chris. Is it Chris or is it yeah, it's official Chris Blair. Are you an AMC guy or what's up? I think we have AMC apes in there, actually. People are bearish for the week this week. Oh shit, Keith Ridley. Yeah, I just upgraded you, my guy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What are we talking about? What were we talking about? I bought see it 2 weeks ago, 78. Oh, you're already in it? Oh my god. You're chilling then. Yeah, we talked about this one. I wonder how earnings is gonna go. I think I'm gonna wait till after earnings and then you say this is going to 150 though. Do you have the insider info or what's up? I want to check something real quick on they said something about a dash flow. It's live, but it's not showing. I don't get it. Oh, well, I'll check it later. I would never ever let you live. Jimmy made me my first 6K in the market. I've always riding with it. Okay, okay. Yeah, we got some people in there. Trippy's a big AMC guy. I think that dilution stuff is like something to be careful with. So I think Roblox pretty much we talked about. No, we were talking about Rivian now. Rivian chain. How you guys feeling about Rivian? I'm thinking the 33s or 35s for the 819 are safe. And let me look at the IV crush on it real quick too, actually. 16% IV crush. So this is good. This is good. Low IV crush. We'd like that for contracts. So they don't have too much IV priced into them. So even if it doesn't move, the IV shouldn't be too bad. So you might be able to do the 812s if you want to. So that's pretty much what I have for these. For this one, this is just going to be based off of forecast, right? So Rivian based off forecast and probably not meeting their earnings deliveries and stuff. Yeah, and the 35s, hella open interest on those. So those are something I'm actually going to mark. Show flow for these. Yes, sir. Lots of puts coming in here. These are small, right? Let's up the premium a little bit. 5K. See what we can see with 5K. Oh, just one. So there's not that much money going in. So a lot of people were already in these, it looks like. The 35s are going to be good, though. Rivian 333s and 35s, 819s, Teslas, bearish, then bullish, lucid puts. Yeah, I think loose is just go ahead and get the puts, right? Because we have the head and shoulders. What do you... We can do CLC, Jimmy, if you want to. The CPI this Wednesday? Yes, it's this Wednesday. Jimmy says Roblox is the best play for next week. It is, man. It is. It's my favorite. Roblox is my favorite. I think Coinbase is probably my second. Well, Roblox is definitely my favorite play for next week. Like my #1 play. Like I'm already like having cash aside, so I don't fuck this one up because I'm gonna get puts. Well, I don't know if you're getting puts, Jimmy. You getting puts or calls? Let me know. And if you're getting calls, give me your bullish thesis. If you're getting puts, give me your bearish thesis. I want to get to both sides too, you know, or just your opinion, because I have my thoughts and thesis why I don't like Roblox. And then, but yeah, obviously maybe I'm missing something too. Disney, brother, that one's gonna be interesting. I want to get calls for Disney. Obviously, they don't have the dividend anymore, but just the vacation stuff. Dutch Bros puts, I think that's pretty straightforward. Although Starbucks did good on their earnings, they actually gassed up after earnings. But Dutch Bros, I don't like it. I know there's a lot of hype on it, but I would rather buy Starbucks before I buy Bros. And they didn't beat by much, honestly. But yes, Bros is gonna be a good put opportunity, I think. Let me look at this. I might need to get rid of these. Yeah, let me go to another. Yeah. So here, let's go to the daily. Bros, we're talking about Bros now. Alright, Bros. Did I just stop talking about Rivian all of a sudden? I think you guys know the deal with Rivian. Rivian's one I'll look into probably after CPI. Like, after CPI comes out. Risky, be careful with coin. It's too high for calls. No, coin. No, I'm not getting calls on. Fuck no. I'll get puts on Coinbase for real. Yeah. No, I'm getting puts on. Actually, I should move this in here. And actually, it's the trio right here. Actually, you can just get puts on Norwegian. You can get puts on Coin. You can get puts on Roblox. Little trio island here. Call that the Hawaiian Islands. But yeah, we had a guy in here, Big Kahuna. You guys remember Big Kahuna? My weed loud. I need a hearing aid. What's up? Yeah, no, hey, let me know your thoughts on Roblox. You say it's the biggest play for you too. I want to know why, and are you playing calls or puts? And we can talk about Celsius. Yeah. Dude, there's just a lot of plays. There's a lot of plays. A lot of clout out there. A lot of clout. Should we draw some clout, Jim? If you want the clout, I'll draw some clout on it. You know I got you. Yeah. You just tell them that I'm the one. Rivian, Disney. I'm chilling. Dutch Bros. We're talking about Dutch Bros. I'm pretty much Rivian. Wait for Wednesday CPI, but I'm leaning bearish. That's it. I didn't look at the flow on it. Probably too early to look at the flow. It's some good shit, but it gets better. And yeah, my bitch cold. Nick thin sweater. A lot of calls, but there's no puts in here, so let's add that. I said free Gucci 42s, or these are spreads. Buying 42s, selling. This is a bullish spread activity. 100K on there. Yeah, too early to get anything with Rivian. Did we look at the chart for Rivian? This is cashmere swag. Yeah, too early to get anything on here. I'm thinking we retouch like the 38 range and then maybe get the puts. Yeah, like up here, 37, 38 range, and then get puts. So yeah, too early on Rivian, but you already know the deal. 33s or 35s for 819. So we're done with that. Let's talk about Roblox. No, we already talked about it. Nah, I need Jimmy to tell me the Roblox DD. We're talking about my only cloud play is clout. I meant clout, like, you know, like clout, like CLOUT, clout. Clout. You know, like I did it for the clout. Yeah. We were talking about Bros. That's what I wanted to talk about, the Bros. This is on Wednesday, so I think we retouched the 46 range, 200 moving average. Let's get a touch of that. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I want to know the Roblox DD, though, bro. You're holding out on the Roblox DD. So Roblox, or bros, the bros, I think they're going to miss. I didn't see their implied move. Let me look at the implied move. I'm all over the place, people. My bad. And I heard him say, bros, 16.6%. Okay, that's a good move. That's something I like. 44, or yeah, 1 minus times 44, 115, 36, almost 37. 30, what did I say? Shit, see, I got a 37, okay. But that's not that big of a move. No. Let me look at the bros, Dutch bros. I think they'll do bad. One of the guys in the Twitter that follows me on Twitter told me that coffee's like been going up hella much. It's 13%. Yes, I like that. Close. Let's look at the chain for bros. You guys think we open up Monday green or down? Oh, I did the chart. Everybody's saying bearish. Puts for this week. Looking at the 812s. The 812s might be good because it's got a low IV crush. There's nothing really like to the upside. There's some of these, but people are actually selling. So that's the most ones. 35s have 266. So the thing with bros, Dutch bros, where's my, here it is. I don't think they have a very good valuation. So statistics, they have a price to sales 13. They're not profitable. Their balance sheet only 26 million cash and cash equivalents. Yeah, I don't really like them at this price. Maybe down in the 20s, you know. But forecast. Oh, they're gonna be profitable this year. Oh, okay. Quarterly. They haven't been profitable. They're expected to be profitable this quarter. That's what it says. Or make cash flow positive this whatever. You feel me? Oh, Roblox has a lot of cash on the hand. Do they? Let me see. Are you saying you're gonna get calls or puts for Roblox though? You've been holding out on the DD, my brother. Statistics. They do have 3 billion in cash. Sheesh. They could pay off their debt if they wanted to. Obviously, it's a growth. They have good margins, 75% almost. Okay, but they're still not profitable. Profit margin minus 25%. The thing I don't like about it, it's kind of overvalued. They're only bringing in like what, 2 billion. They're worth like 30 billion. Like they're just like pretty pricey, I think. That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say. Church. Sheesh. I can't believe yeah, never mind, I'm gonna shut up. Where is it? The chain, the bros. Oh, it's still a put though? Yeah, it is still a put. Yeah, okay. I was just making sure we're on the same page with Roblox. Yeah, I think those are puts, my guy. So 35s on Dutch bros. We said it's coming down to about 37. I'm gonna see how it reacts around here, like the 46. What's the volume? It's got hella low volume. Pretty small float though, so it's not that bad. I'm gonna see how it reacts here towards the 200 moving average. See if I can get it up here, and then I'll get my puts there. I think it's yeah, it's done too much too soon. It needs a pullback down to like 35s. I think that'd be good. The 819s might be good. Now that I'm thinking about it, let's go here. 819s. It's got pretty good volume down here. It might be the ones that are being slept on. Yeah, there's like 1600 And the 40s might be good too. They're only 260. Yeah, the 40s for, see, I always like getting a week out. Bros, 819s, 40s. So that's like a 10% move, right? Because $4 out of 40 is like 10%. Or $4 out of 44. So right now it's at 444. Let's just say 45. So 5 divided by 45. It's like, yeah. Plus the other, yeah, those are good. I like the 40s for 819. I gotta play stuff safe, my guy. I have to. There's also some 35s. Those are way cheaper, but I guess some of the sentiment there is bullish. So it could be that they're doing put debit spreads where they're buying some of the 40s, selling the 35s. Yeah. And then there's like 45s. There's nothing really up here, which is good to see. There's no upside really. There's like not big open interest on those. Let's look at the the upside for the next week too. There's really not much upside on these either. There's like the 40s and then the 45s, 386, but these are bearish and then these are bullish. But let's look at when these started getting added. Oh, these just recently started being added. So just this week. Okay. So 812 or 82 they started adding these. Okay. Down here, there's not that much. There's these that have pretty good volume increase, but they're bullish. Is there something that follows this? Let me click on this real quick. Go to show flow. They're buying these as spreads. These are bullish spreads. So they're buying 45s and selling 41s. There's the big one right here, just selling $35 puts. Yeah, so they're just straight up selling them. So it might be a trap. Yeah. But it's still early, guys. It's still early. Most of the big earnings plays don't happen till like the day of earnings. That's when you want to watch the flow. But I'm still bearish on bros. I'm going to see how it reacts to 46 level, 45 level. Yeah, it says technicals are still strong. Kind of agree with it. It's holding the support here. Okay. Let me go back to the list. Bros or puts. Disney we can do. Oh, we should do Coinbase next. Coinbase, the chart's kind of weird. It did that dumb gap up. So we have a gap filled down here. But the chart's just been chilling. It's been sideways. Yeah, there's like really nothing we can really do with it right now. I mean, I guess we have like some support that it's trying to respect. So depending on how it reacts here, then maybe you can start getting the puts. Yeah, it's kind of weird though. Yeah, I'm still bearish on coin. It's like it was trading at $50 just like a few days ago, right? Yeah. Once that like, yeah, it's insane. This thing needs a pullback. Let's look at some of the balance sheet and stuff on it real quick. Just look at what's going on with Coinbase. Jesus, walks. God, show me the way. Where's that? 24 billion market cap and bringing in revenue of. The thing is, Bitcoin's kind of bearish right now, right? Everybody's bearish. Are they profitable? They're making profit. 6 billion. That's pretty good. Where's their margin? Their margins are good. Damn. So it is a good stock. It is a good stock. Shit. Trying to catch it kind of hard. I mean, look. No, they're not profitable, are they? They'll be profitable 2024, it looks like. They're not profitable. I don't know why it has a PE ratio. Is Coinbase profitable? It looks like Tesla's going down at 800 next week. Yeah. Next week, why you say that? I know it wants to pull back to 840, but I didn't really look more into it. Gross margin 100%. This is on the annual. Let's look at the quarterly stuff. Outstanding shares. They keep adding shares. Is that right? Yeah, they keep adding shares. EPS diluted. Where's the gross margins? 100%. These are good gross margins. Gross profits. The gross profits are getting bad. That's because crypto's coming down. Or the profit margins. My dumbass, I can't read. Yup. You gotta give me more context with the yups, my brother. All right. Because there's like, I talk so fast, I don't know what the yup is for. You feel me? Yes, sir. I'm going to close this out, actually. Just trying to look at the chains on Coinbase. We're looking at Coinbase now, by the way. I kind of didn't cover bros too much, but it's... Well, what is this? Oh, that's for this week. Nah, I'm trying to look at the 812s, 12, 8. So coin's heavily like liquid and like it's got a lot of volume, which is good because then, well, it can be a trap too, you know. The 80s, these are probably the ones I'd be interested in. They're hella expensive though. Who's the person that took a stake in this? Was this BlackRock or what did they do? Oh no, they integrated some funds to incorporate crypto into their ETFs or something. Let me look that up real quick, actually. I can't remember what the news was for Coinbase. Oh yeah, crypto deal with BlackRock. Okay. So I don't know if this is just a pump and dump. What is, okay, you're incorporating it, but we're still bearish on crypto right now, right? Where is crypto actually? Let me look at crypto. Where's my crypto ticker? All right, Bitcoin. Just gonna look it up. I was trying to get the homie on here, but hey, that dumbass flag that I got still. Let me just clear this out. It's still a flagging looking ass. But it is making those higher highs, my guy. We might need to go to like 1 hour because the dailies, it's not accurate. Let me do I think the channel's still pretty accurate. I think the channel's still accurate. So I think it's probably going to come back down to 21K. It just looks like it's holding underneath the monthly right here. Unless it can get up above that, it's going to come back down and touch this. Which would be, let's just drag this out more. Just get rid of some of this. This was supposed to be a bear flag. It was supposed to break, but it didn't. Hey, okay. Where's the, I think I'll probably double top here actually. Could double top. Like that could have been the double top. It's chilling. Oh, Mara reports this week too, right? Doesn't it? Let me go to 4 hours. Is there no history here or what's up? Okay, here we go. Guess we're gonna put it all the way up there. Yeah. Actually up here. I'm still bearish on it. It's crawling, but if it comes up here and gets rejected out here at 25K, then it's gonna come down, I think. It'll be like a triple top. Yeah. I don't really like crypto right now. The chart's looking alright. It's not looking terrible, but for me personally, right? Like you can see the OBV on the daily, it just keeps coming down and that keeps going up. That's like a bearish divergence. Like this is going up. This is going down. Where the fuck's my arrow? This is going down. That's like a bearish divergence, I would say. You can look up divergence. Cheat sheet. There we go, right there. This is right here. I've shown you guys this before. Divergence, bearish, regular, going up, going down. There's that one right there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It could be a hidden bullish divergence, but I don't see crypto going up right now, so I'm gonna lean bearish. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? So bearish on Coinbase. Bearish on Coinbase. Bro, I'm like all over the place right now. Yeah, we've already filled this little baby gap that we had here at like 100. So it's filled. Probably going to come back down and fill the gap down here, 80 to 85. So maybe the puts to get for 80, 85 are, or for Coinbase are like 85s. Don't care about that. Chains, 819s. I'm definitely going to do the 819s. Well, it's on Tuesday, so you will have time still. Maybe, yeah, let me look. Definitely nothing up here. Probably get something cheaper, like these are crazy. The 80s. This is probably the one that I want. Honestly, the 80s for this week. Coinbase 812s, $80. $80 puts. They are, the Coinbase contracts are expensive, like $390. What's the implied move? 20%. Yes, we want big percent on there for implied move. Oh shit. So 73. Oh my god, that's good. That's what we want. 20.9. Did I do 20.9? I don't know what I did. 20.5. It's close enough. So 73. So yeah, the $80 puts for this week will be nice. These will be good. What's the crush on this? Look. My mouse has been acting up today for some reason. IV's not like insanely going up yet. It's good. IV crush is good. 14%. 73s. This is down here. So 73. Here somewhere. To the upside, it would be 112. So up here. I don't know if we go up here. There's no bullishness on crypto right now. So that's implied move for it. So definitely to the downside. And I think we're going to play risky with 812 puts for 80s. These are nice. Yeah, or maybe the 819s. Let's just look at the 819s. A lot of bearish on the 82s. So yeah, the only reason coin is up, BlackRock got investors excited for a few days. Yes, it should be back at $60, $50, you know what I'm saying? It could be a big play, honestly. Imagine it coming down to $60 at least. That's a nice little bag, even on like a few contracts. It's a nice dope ass bag. Yes sir, yes sir. And look, there's not like, there's a lot of volume on these 812s, but I don't know if they'll actually stick. These are nice, the 100s. So on the chart perspective, I think just kind of wait to see how it reacts to this support. If it, because it's starting to build a support here. If it can break underneath, then you start getting the puts, I think. I'm already bearish for earnings, so I could get like, you know, one ahead of earnings and just don't play. Oh yeah, you could get, coin should go back to 55 in a few weeks. Yeah, there's no bullishness on coin or no crypto. And you say a few weeks, it might be nice to get the 819s then. You're gonna pay a little bit more, but you'll definitely have a little bit more time to get down there. And you could probably even come down further. Instead of getting the 80s, which have a pretty good open interest, you could get the 75s. The 75s might be the play actually. Yes, sir. I might do the 75s actually for 819. So 80s for 812 or 75s for 819. There's also a lot of open interest on these 70s. Sheesh. Yeah. And there's a lot of open interest on this side too. There's nothing to the upside that's big. Yeah, you see that? Sheesh. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, I might get the 819.75s actually. Just give me a couple of those and just smoke a cigar. No, I'm kidding. I don't smoke. Buy September puts, Septembers. Then, but the thing with the Septembers is the movement won't pay as much, right? Because it still has a lot of time. Like it still has a lot of data priced in, so your premium doesn't go up as much. Like I'm bearish on Coinbase long term. Well, like midterm. I wouldn't say long term. I would say midterm. But I'm trying to play the earnings. You feel me? So I'll try to get the 819s to get that earnings exposure, but still have that little bit of window in case shit doesn't go great or it doesn't go down as much. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 12s. Which ones would you be looking at? The 916s. It's got the most volume. These have the most volume for Coinbase. You would just have to go. Damn, my mouse keeps acting up. So what, 50s or something? There's a lot of, yeah, there's a lot of, oh, these are nice too. Look at this. The 95s, 90s. This looks like a debit spread. Yeah, that's crazy, huh? That's crazy. Family business. And this is for the, These are crazy. These are weird. I didn't see those. The 916s. Let me just peep the flow. So see, a lot of volume came in the last 2 days on these. This can't be right. This can't be life. Off the grid. We off the grid. Grid. I gotta pull up some of the premium on this. Let's do like 25K. Oh, 916 after the Fed meeting. Oh yes, sir. Where's the big money at though? Oh, it's right here. 90s. $90 puts. 100K. Then we got 185K. Okay. Damn, Kanye made me want to like slap my boss and just walk out, you feel me? This for my kids. Oh no, that's not what he says. 916, when is the Fed meeting? I might need to pull up. I need to pull up on investing.com real quick. 20 counting. Mexico president flies to, oh, let me close that out, my guy. Shit. Economic calendar. Next week, this week would be the July 3rd. Now we want next week. Oh, we need to clear this out real quick. Clear. Let's go for USA, baby. Apply. OPEC. What is this nonsense? That's Thursday, my guy. We're looking for Wednesday CPI data. That's the big event. Anything on Tuesday? Business optimism, non-farm productivity, labor cost. Nothing on Monday. What is this? Employment trend index? Okay, hold up. Okay. 8 labor indicators listed below. Employment trends index. Jobs hard to get. Initial claims for unemployment. What is this? Is this important? It's not that important. It's only got the 1 star. Only got the 1 star importance. Oof. Non-farm productivity. Let's see what they farm in this quarter. Quarter over quarter. Measures annualized change in labor efficiency, producing goods and services, excluding farming industry. This might be big, actually. Productivity and labor-related inflation. Oof. This is going to be big, my guy. Oh, and you can see the importance on that one, too. 2 stars. Let me talk to the manager. Only giving it 2 stars. Core CPI. This is big. This is big. Here we go. Here we go. So Wednesday, be prepared. Data is going to be driven, or market's going to be driven by data. And then you said, I don't know when the Fed stuff is. I don't even want to look further, honestly, because I'm just going to waste too much time trying to dig through that. Once it gets closer to that, we'll look at it. So Coinbase, I think everybody agrees we're bearish. We've already got the puts, my guy. Cool. Roblox puts plug. So the reason I got plug calls, don't necessarily haven't done the DD, but I've seen a lot of plays. Sunrun, some other ones, they've been gassing just based off earnings and stuff. Been doing like crazy stuff, right? So a lot of energy plays have been doing this crazy. There was one that one of the homies told me about, SLR, First Solar. Like a lot of energy plays have been like doing this gassing up. I don't know if there's like a catalyst based off of this, but this one's been increasing too. Sunrun. This is a cheap stock, so but they have earnings coming up too, which I posted that, but it's not on the list. Is it on here? When is it? August 9th before open, so that's Tuesday. I think that's Tuesday. 8, so 9th here. So maybe you can get something on Monday before close for Sunrun, but let me look at the expected move. I'm not going to play Sunrun. It's too cheap. It's got 70% move. Oof. But remember, it's the $2 stock, so probably like $1 or something. So $4, so about $1, yeah, $4.50, about $4.20, $4.20, no pun intended. I think suns and stuff are just sun shit, energy shit. It's gonna be good. I talk to God every day. That's my Betsy. So $3 in the book, maybe. Let's look at the chains, because now actually I'm a little interested in this bad boy. Sun W, cheap stock, $2 stock, CoStar gas. No, there's no volume in these. There's nothing here, boy. There's the 912s. They have some decent volume here. 600. 600. Oh, the 819s are probably the ones. Yeah. These are 250. So there's people already in these. Yeah, there's no bearishness on the energy right now. This one might be a play actually. Damn. There's just not a lot of volume, but it might be a play. They're cheap too, though. They're like 5 cents. But these are $5 strikes. So they're cheap. But I would probably get the 916s. They're 10 cents. Yeah. I would just look at energy plays. Sun W. 916, $5 strikes. Yeah, but the one I wanted to talk about for energy is plug, which I haven't. GME 5065 next few weeks. Ooh, where is it at now? I haven't looked at it. Oh, I haven't looked at GME. I know it did a split down at 30 or something. Oh yeah, GME still looks nice. I think it pulls back. I think it pulls back because of this ascending support. So here's my thought. Either it's a cup and handle, it comes down a little bit to 35, 36, and then breaks out. Or it pulls back to the ascending support, and then it breaks out further, which is probably what I would rather see. I'd rather see it pull back down to this 200 moving average. GME's a nice one. I love GME. I love Ryan Coin. GME all the way. AMC, not too much of a fan, honestly. But yeah, this right here, 200 moving average is good. Yeah. So it like claimed the 200 moving average, came underneath it, couldn't like hold it. So I think it'll come back down and try to claim that bitch like it's his, you know? And then he'll go. Yeah, we need some confirmation here, my guy. See, every time he gets on it, she falls back under. Yeah, so maybe claim that hoe and then go. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No, I like Jimmy. 65 though. Next few weeks. Maybe. Let me see. So that would be like, let's just do this here. Something like this. What you think? Honestly, I like this better. Maybe like this. And then like I would just say like 50, 60 for sure, maybe. We'll see. I guess I'm being a little stingy. Here you go. 60. Yeah, I can see 60. I don't like AMC that much though, my guy. I'll be honest with you. You already know how I feel about AMC. He's a fucking snake. Aaron is kind of a snake, let's be real. We got unusual whales mentioned. Let me see what it looks like. Oh shit. What the hell? Hold up. 1 second, people. Oh, let me 1 second, people. I got people on the other line. Yes, sir. Hey, you guys drop some tickers though in the meantime we can look at. Jimmy looks good though. Chris, I like it. There might be a little pullback on it, but that ain't nothing. There ain't nothing to it. It's normal. It's just another day in the office, you feel me? Let me see. Check them now. Oh shit, I'm heavy. 1 second, people. Y'all talk between yourselves. Y'all talk between yourselves. Nobody's been talking, but I wish people were. If you guys would be more active in the chat, then we would get more people in here. Cause then the algorithm would help me out. You feel me? Looks like a back-end issue. Okay. So we deleted the announcement. All right. Okay, so they got some bugs out there. They need to get the bug spray. Yeah. 65, I think so though. We need to claim that 40. But I think it comes down, my guy. Cup and break. Or, you know, coming down, reclaim this, and then go out with the bang. Let's look at the flow for Jimmy. Let's just peep it. Swerve. Hey, y'all spam GME on the chat so we can get the algos going. A lot of call activity. Selling the $40. Yeah, I've been feeling the same way about Adam Aaron. I feel you. Yeah, he's a snake. He's just, bro, why does he have to like get something in return to give you guys a dividend? You don't see the homie Ryan doing that, right? Like Cohen is like goated for real. Like he's like the next Roaring Kitty. Not the next, but he's like Roaring Kitty status basically. Like that man, he's killing it. He's doing things right. Like, no, I respect Jimmy. If I was to like forced to buy a meme stock, it would definitely be GameStop. It would not be that nonsense AMC anymore. I lost money on AMC, so people think that's why I don't like AMC. That's part of the reason. No, but it's just the CEO. The CEO's the fucking captain of the ship, and he's gonna send you guys down a fucking waterfall. But Ryan Cohen's doing stuff right, and he's got good experience. Aaron's an old man. He's trying to retire soon. He's been dumping his stuff last year, like I said. But yeah, you guys go check out the last video. I ranted for a little bit on that. Still outside. Is Chris still here? Or not Chris, Keith? Is Keith Ripley in here? Chris Ripley, or Keith Ripley. Are you still in here, my guy? Or did you leave, my guy? Damn. Ooh. What's up? Did he leave? I think Keith left. Yeah, he left. Oh fuck, no, he dipped. I thought he said he was in here. No, he dipped. He's got family business. GameStop, flow. Where we at here with the flow? Well, there's more call volume, so that's good to see. Whether it's bullish or bearish, it looks like it's down the middle, at least the way it's coming in. Let's look at the overall COPE. We like to look at the COPE here sometimes. COPE is all kinds of crazy. The gamma is nice. So it might not even pull back, my guy. Gamma, this is the calls coming in, hella calls. We can go to a further like flow history breakdown. Let me just work some stuff real quick. Let me do some magic. Oh my goodness, look at this. Hella open interest came in on July 25th. When is this? This was like, I got it. When did the GameStop thing happen? When did the split happen? Oh, 22. So after. Whoa. So that's what, oh my goodness. I wish I would have followed. Look how, so the 25th is when that open interest came in. And then ever since then, we've been gassing. You see that? If I would have just paid attention to this huge ass bump in open interest, the July 25th, and then we go back to July 25th, like, damn, you would have been rich right now. Fuck. Okay then. Let me clear that out. Let me clear out the price. Obviously, the price hasn't reflected that much. Well, it's part of the split, I think. Oof. Oh, I need to get rid of that. Oh, I'm on a 6 month. Let me go to the 1 month. Let me also look at the open. Yeah, see this big ass spike right here? Where's the price? So the price hasn't really reflected much of it. It has. It has. So July 25th. Damn. Missed it. I missed it. There's so many opportunities in the stock market, you feel me? So you can't get them all. Let's get rid of that. So there's a lot of call volume or gamma up here. It's like gamma's like at 1100, which is just a value, but compared to like where it's been at, it's nice. The only thing I would say is the COPE is coming down, which is bullish indicator. But damn, I wish I would have kept up with it. Yeah, so I'm gonna watch this one again. Plus, GameStop's a good company. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, if you're a GameStop shareholder, hit the like button for your boy. I'm proud of the GameStop people. They build different, you feel me? The 916, did you say the 916 for Sunrun, right? Was it $5 strikes? Yeah, Sunrun. Sorry, I'm taking notes. 916s, $5 strikes. I think they were cheap. Okay. Do they have earnings yet? Oh, they got earnings coming up over here. Okay, July 22nd, or that's when it ends. The date looks like September. Oh, so we have earnings till September? I don't know if that's right. I guess it could be. Yeah, I would watch GameStop. I would watch for the pullback. I'll probably get a couple calls down here. Are the premiums still expensive on GameStop? Did they come down? They were. The reason I never touched GameStop was because the chain was like hella expensive. The 819s will probably be the ones I look at, honestly. I like to trade a week out. Bullishness. Is there anything to the downside? Keep my spirit alive. Ooh, that did not come out good. There's a lot of open interest on these 31s. And these 32s. And 33s. 34. There's a lot of open interest on these 50s. I think the 819s, I'll play it to the downside right now. Obviously, that I'm just kind of fresh though. Yeah. I gave you guys the DD on GameStop. You guys doing things good, but I would wait on a pullback, or you can play it to the downside, but don't bet against GameStop. They're gonna squeeze you out. And then I'll just wait for the next run up. That's really what I'll do. You feel me? Yeah. Yep. Okay. We're gonna add GameStop up here. Okay. Well, I want to say calls. Puts, then calls. You feel you, boy? Yeah. These are just side plays up here. Upstart. Upstart or Wall Street or Walt Disney. Coinbase, we got that one in the books, I think. Puts. We're hella bearish tonight, huh? Oh, we're doing plug, weren't we? Yeah, let's do plug. Because I think energy is just bullish. Yeah, see, this thing's already been doing some stuff. The thing I don't like about Plug is like it's hella overvalued. Earnings aren't great. Like they're making 150 million. Like, let me pull this up. It's like, that's why I don't want to play calls, because it's valuation wise, I just don't like it. 15 billion, right? Annually they're doing, where's that, 500 million? Like super expensive stock. They have great cash for what they're worth. Operations aren't great, so yeah, but there's hype on it, so there's hype on it. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, that's why I'm gonna stay away from this one, because my fundam like me my my beliefs don't align with getting calls. But you should be bullish on energy, but valuations don't line up to me. Yeah, they're not even going to be profitable till 20, not even 26. I know some stocks just trade rich, for example Tesla and stuff, but yeah, who needs practice? I don't rehearsals. Ooh, ooh, mm. Give it all to God and let Jesus reimburse you. Keep my spirit alive. So this one, I'm not gonna play this one. What's the implied move on this? I'm just curious. You could get puts, but energy's bullish, so I don't want to get puts. 25.19. Oh shit. Didn't mean to do that. Give it all to Jesus and let him reimburse you. $22, so $3 down, not really worth it. Premium's probably expensive. All right. 25K for next week. I look at 819s just in case. Ooh, spicy. These right here. And these right here too. Where they're at. The 19s. Oh, okay. There's a lot of open interest down here too. A lot of volume for the 26s. And they're bullish. They're bullish with it. I just don't like the valuations with this one though. You feel me? 3,000 open interest on the. It's just not gonna be worth playing this one, honestly. I think earnings for this one, and it never does. It did get dumped or shitted on last time. Yeah, but I think the last time I played Plug, I played it down here, and I just lost hella premium on it because it didn't move. That's why I'm scared to play this one again. And then I didn't play it because of this, and then it did move. But now it's trading back up at these levels. Their revenues aren't getting much better. They always miss. You see, they always miss. So, knowing my luck, I'm going in there confidently that they miss. They end up beating. But actually, I might get puts on Plug. Fuck it. What you guys thinking? Plug puts just for the memes, my guy. Let's look at some flow on it. I actually really like that album from Kanye. I know are we still on Kanye or no? Donda. These 25 puts, 27K. Oh, look at this floor, 26. Let me look at the spread on this though. Oh, that's good. This is bearish. This is good for the bears. Yes. This 805, so this is Friday. Hey. They're doing this call credit spread, which is a bearish. They're selling 26 calls. Right? They're getting 193K in premium. Oh no, they're buying these as this is what they're buying, the 26s, as a hedge for in case it runs up. Yeah, where's it at right now? It's at 25. So they're selling 26 to retail. No. They're buying 26 for a cap out, like a tap out, like a cap out, like they're buying. I'm an idiot, I can't read. They're selling 24s. They're getting premium. They're getting 300K premium. They're using that. So Yeah, I ain't stupid. I just sound stupid sometimes. Okay. Okay, so like 1-to-1 ratio. They're trying to make some quick 100% return. But yeah, that's the biggest order that's here actually. Anything under over 25 is coming in here. It's a 200 order, 200K order. So you feel me? It's like doesn't usually get that much premium. Like the only other time it had something big was that $1 million. What it looks like. Yeah, like this one. This one's a $25 put or call. That volume is still there. Oh, 14K. But this was a few days ago, like 805. So let's see where it was at 805. 803. I'm an idiot. And actually, they might have sold these, even though it looks like it's a buy, straight up buy, but it's in the middle. It's not like a straight up ask. So they could have just collected 100 premium. Yeah, okay. So I'm gonna get puts on plug. Let me switch this bad boy up. Fuck you, plug. Fuck the plug. What do you mean? Yeah, puts. Actually, yeah. I need to redo this. It's not all capitalized. I'm like really picky with my stuff, you know? Yeah. There we go. Oh, what the fuck? Why won't it let me pick this up? Okay, these are puts for everything around here. The reason I haven't looked at Norwegian cross line or cruise lines, but I think CCL took a dump after earnings, so that's why I just said that. Yeah, see, look at this before market opens. Oh, so it ran up. They beat and then it took a dump. No, they missed. The fuck? Is it this one? June 24th. Okay, so it opened up at 950 and then it went up to 10. Wow. NCLH, yeah, Norwegian Cruise Lines. Before market open. They missed, but they went up. What the fuck? Let me go back. I gotta make sure I saw that right. And then it took, so this one, the Norwegian, maybe wait. Maybe not play it. Definitely get the puts, but maybe wait. Because I'm sure forecast isn't going to be good. CLH. Just based off what CCR. Yeah, it did the same thing here too. Jesus. Okay. I think in the chart though, it does look nice. The chart looks nice. It's like trying to break out. But I don't know if we keep rallying, you feel me? I don't know if we keep rallying. We'll just do it down here actually. Yeah, so that's the range there. I think you could definitely do puts, maybe back down to that level. Maybe reclaim, even like maybe just do short-term puts and just get out at 1250. Yeah. NCLH Norwegian. Let's look at is anybody there? Anybody in the chat? Anybody alive? You guys good? North Carolina. NCLH. Maybe we should go to overview and just look at the overall stuff. Maybe that's where we should be doing. So there's calls coming in. It looks like bullish premium. Oh, what is this? $13 puts for this week. Did it expire in the money or out the money? It expired out the money. Oh, no. These 1250s though for next week. We should have been doing this earlier. We should have been looking at the active chains. Oh well. I'm gonna do more diving in after I wrap up the live stream. I'll just put some stuff on Twitter But yeah. These right here though. These right here. So right off the gate, it looks like they're selling 13s and buying. So that's actually bullish. If that's actually linked together, if not, it's bearish. So those are the ones that are carrying over to next week. Everything else is 805s or like leaps, and I don't care about leaps. The tens, these are actually in there too. The ones that stick out to me would be these right here. And obviously these. Let me slide that bad boy to the side. Let's go and look at this to make sure they're not spreads. And if they are spreads, we can see which direction spreads they are. They're just straight up, oh, they're buying 13s, selling 10s and 11s. That's bearish actually. Yes, sir. That's a put debit spread. Where's the big ones at? There's another spread here. Yeah. Is it a big amount of money though? It's not. Let me add some of the premium here. Okay, I don't want that much in here. 1,000 selling. Okay. Bullish selling puts. That's still if it's part of a spread, it's still good. If they're just selling it, then that's bad. Let me close that. Let's go to the 13s. I think that's what we saw spreads on. Yeah, these right here. Yeah, okay. Wait, they're buying 13s and buying 13 calls? Let me pump up some of the premium on here. Oh, this is what we need right here. Yeah. It's not a lot of money though. So is it like even worth it? Let me look at, like, it's not a lot of money. It's like 3K, like, come on, it's a little chump change. Not for me, but for some people, you know. 9% IV crush. Expected move, what did I say expected move was? I didn't look at that actually. 9.3%. All right. Okay, 3%. Oh, that's wrong. 1 minus 0.0. No, I had it right the first time. So about $12. So 12s for, let me look at the chain now. $12s right here. This is where the action is, but it's bullish. And that's because they were buying what, 13s and selling 11s. Oh, there's nothing to the upside though, except these. But these, let's look at when these got added. They've kind of been increasing early August. A lot of bearish right here. This is like a lot of bearish volume coming in early morning. So overall, what did I say? Those are still bullish, but a lot more bearish. So they might be closing out these 15s, I think. Yes, yes. Let's go to the 19s just to get an idea of what's going on here. Yeah, I like these right here. Yes, sir. And these are actually not bad either. 50 cents. Yeah, yeah. There's a bearish 15s here, so maybe that's the cap out. They're buying the 1250. So yeah, I think 1250. Maybe we come down at 1250. 1250. 1250 for 819s. It's not bad. It's not bad. It's a good move. We're at 1320. I think the 1250s for 819 is the move, honestly. Let's look at when these started picking up. They started picking up. They've kind of been back holding this actually. Open interest has been big on it. When did this start picking up? They've been back holding too. Okay. These are the other ones that I was interested in, the 10s for $7. They've been back holding for a while. It might just be a dud. I might just wait for the earnings. You could day trade it, but earnings, I might just wait. You can day trade it, see if it comes down here to 12.50. Take your profits, let it do its earnings run, and then after earnings, get your puts. Think. Yeah. Just marking out some stuff I'm thinking, but obviously it's not gonna be my financial advice or anything. It's just me talking out loud. Keep my spirit alive. What's next on the list, fellas? Yeah, we didn't really do anything good with Norwegian. Upstart might be the last one I do. I didn't even look at calls for Disney. I'm gonna get that rid off because I haven't done the DD on it. I haven't done any of this. Bumble might be an interesting one. We haven't got anything done. We've been trolling. Upstart, Wix. Wix might be something interesting to the downside. Let me see where she's at. She hired low. Go to the daily. Damn, she's low right now. So they came down to 85, then they missed, and they went back up to 70. That's a tough one. That's a tough cookie. It's cheap, $70. Honestly, this is one stock I wanted to buy as a long-term portfolio, and then I missed the boat and it did this crazy. So I would not play against this, honestly. I think this is a good company. A lot of the it's like Shopify, I think. Basically, you make your little e-commerce, so online store stuff. Isn't that right? Let me make sure I'm not lying to you guys. Pretty sure it's a software company. Create your website. Yeah. No, I like this one. Maybe they got the Celsius in here for the boy Jimmy. Yes, sir. I wouldn't bet against this one, honestly. Now this one, even if it miss or do something not nasty, people will probably buy it up. Let's be real. I would actually get calls for Wix. On the contrary, my friend. Let's look at the valuation though. I've never looked at the valuation on this. Just get an idea of what's going on. 1.2 billion. Okay, so not that impressive actually. I thought it was. Actually, yeah, it is. They're making yeah. Why the fuck is the forward piece so much? Is that not 1.2 billion in cash? They got alright margins. Let's look. Are they not profitable or what? Nah, they're not profitable. Maybe it's time to get just Shopify. Shopify is the leading e-commerce. Okay, where's the profile for this? Develops markets cloud-based platform, enables anyone to create websites. Yeah, Europe, Latin America. Do they have any ads? I don't want them affected by ads. Nah. The market cap's nice. 4 billion. They're making pretty good revenue. Last 12 months, 1.3 billion. Yo. Total debt, 1 billion. Damn. Just running through some stuff. They're still growing okay. Not great. Big numbers. Yeah, I wouldn't play against this one though. Let's just peep the flow on this just to get an idea. I'm not gonna play this one. Oh, let me look at the implied move first. Maybe 13%. Yeah, see, it might not be worth it. 69.89 times 1.34. Oh, 9. Yeah, so nah, $10. Yeah, nah, I'm good. Let's go to the next one. Upstart. I think Upstart might be one to play. they've been getting crushed. Where's it at right now? 26%. Isn't it like back in 20 or something? $30? The only thing with this is, let me see what Affirm did. Didn't Affirm already report? No, they haven't reported. There's some nonsense going. PayPal reported. That's what PayPal reported. But did they lose their gains? Yeah, they did lose their gains. They've been losing some of their gains. And then Square, I think, let me look at PayPal real quick. So they beat, Square beat, I think, too. I'm just scared that, people won't be able to pay their shit. Don't they have like the pay later stuff? And then once recession hits, people say, nah, we're good. We're not gonna pay Upstart. What do they on? What do they do? UPS? No, Upstart. Upstart. Let me look at their little statistic stuff. Let's see what we can pull up. Come on. Actually, might be time to get some calls on this. They don't have. They have 1 billion in cash. I might get calls on this, man. I might get the calls on this. They're profitable. What? Are they? For real? They for real profitable? 800 million. Outstanding shares going up. Okay, that's not good. Operating. This is annually. Well, annually is good because then we can see what their profit. 15%. They're actually pretty good. I mean, it's positive. That's what you want to see. Positive. Let's go to quarterly. I might have to get the calls, my guy. Have they been running up? They're negative on these. They've mainly been positive, then they've been coming down negatively. Or let me go back. Sorry, I missed one thing I wanted to look at. Where's the quarterly here? They're expected to report positive numbers, which is this one might be a nice call opportunity. They haven't really gone much. They've been lagging. Oh, this is good because we can still catch the run. Yeah, 26% is the move, right? This thing might just do something stupid. 26%. Oh my goodness. What if it gets crushed though? Yeah, people are gonna sleep on this one, dog. 29.6. This is Monday too. 37. So $35 calls I would look at. Yeah, guess who's going to jail tonight? Let's look at the chains. Might have to go with the YOLOs. Oh, wait, hold up. What is this? 10K and... Oh, no. What the hell was this? Alright, let me look at some of this. Buying puts, the $26 puts, it's at 29 right now. They're buying and selling. Oh, this is hella bearish. The fuck? Let me up the premium real quick. Oh my goodness. This one right here, what the fuck is this? Come on, player. Yeah, this might come down. Look at this much. Well, they're buying, selling, yeah. Let me look at the Okay, I'm done listening to Kanye. I gotta listen to something else now. I'm gonna listen to some of this Hispanic shit. Hey, go trap. That Hispanic trap. Y'all listen to that Hispanic trap? LOG. What's the IV crush on this? This is good. 7 IV crush. Damn, man. Everybody dipped. we're looking at these. This was really interesting. On average, let's see how much Upstart gets on flow. It's a small market cap, so they don't get that much cash. 25K, bullish 32 spreads, selling. This is bearish too. Fuck. Oh my god, I might have to switch it up. Yeah, what's up with this? Damn, this one's actually interesting. Upstart, I might have to hit up the homie. I want to do Upstart instead of Roblox. Roblox is such an easy play though. This is more risky, but it might pay out hella good. These big ones are the ones that I will. Spreads, 29 spreads, selling, yeah. Yep. It was up 4% today. Close the Jimmy stuff. We're done with Jimmy. Yeah, look at, so the gamma call is going up, which is good for calls. Cope is going too, but it's been lagging. 812s, 26. These are the ones. Yeah, let me open these up. Yeah, Upstart. Oh my goodness. This might be the play, honestly. Don't sleep on the Upstart. Oh, there's 50K on this? Yeah, just add another 0 there. Just 805, 50K. Yeah. And there's another one, the 26. Oh, is this the same one? Now, the only thing concerning is the spot fills. They're kind of in the middle, so they could be going either way. They could just be selling puts on both sides, which is bullish. You feel me? So I might have to go with the calls. Sometimes the flow can be misleading. That's what I'm trying to say. Let me see this other one too. Spreads. Where's the selling at? Where's the spread on this? This one's straight up on the ass. They loaded up on the puts there. 805 was Friday. $26 puts. They were $2, $3, and they went up towards the end of the day. You see how at the beginning of the day, well, let's just do 25K. Okay, let me do 10K. Oh shit, what was that? Okay, 10K. So okay, so nothing. 5. Come on, give me something. Towards the end of the day, they did go down. They were like 230 at the end of the day. So they might have been selling these because these happen early morning. This one I'm gonna just keep an eye out for sure. Upstart. Okay. There's a lot of calls, but these are for the 32s. Had a lot of volume, low open interest. Let's look at the full chain breakdown on this. Let's go look. Yeah. And you guys can follow along if you guys have unusual wells. I put the link up top if you guys want to follow along. Let me see. 812s, 3500. Those are the ones I saw. The 32s are pretty cheap. These are bullish too. The 28s are bullish. And then we have the 38s. That's a lot of money going in there. This is what just caught me. It just threw me off. This right here, this 10K. 26. I'm gonna keep an eye out on this and see how it carries out. And then you have the 20s with 20. I don't think it comes down to 20, would it? Let's see. Yeah, that's insane volume, brother. Come on, brother. Buying the 20 puts, spreads, selling. Ooh. Okay, well, let's add some premium to this. Oh, they're bullish. They're selling the 20s. Yeah. Yeah, they're selling the 20s, buying the 26s. That's part of what we're seeing here. They're doing that hella many times. Like 1600s here. Selling, buying. Yeah, I like that. So this is bearish. Like hella bearish. But it could also mean that they're selling these and they're selling the 26s. And it's actually... There's no way to confirm that. Let's go back to the chart. I like the chart. I like the chart. It's been kind of like... It held the... Dang, brother. Yeah, I like the chart. It held the 200 moving average. It looks like it's trying to break back out to 30. This is on Monday night, or Monday after close. Go to the... Yeah, and we got a gap above. Go ahead and mark that out. A little gap that we have here. This is insane. It's not a bad stock though. It really isn't. It already broke out. I really want to play the upside. Even though I see all that bearish flow, I want to play the upside. Really do. Yeah, this is insane. It already broke out of this resistance, which is also aligning with the 200 moving average. And then we've got resistance up there, but get above it. I think. Cut it down here. There we go. That's much better. And it could also, well, I don't want to say it. Throw that one in there too. I was gonna say it could be like an inverse head and shoulders. Could be an inverse head and shoulders where you got the shoulder, the head. So maybe it comes down again to 25, and then it does that. But that's like really kind of like far out. That's really super tinfoily. Plus, it's like flagging out. Like had a nice little run. Now it's like trying to break out of this like resistance here. Yeah, like right there. I'll just watch this one. I actually don't know because that bearish flow is hella bugging. It's tripping me out. Upstart might be a huge ass play though, I think. Yeah. Right now I'm leaning bullish even though the flow is bearish. Just because it's cheap and I like some of the numbers on here. But then the flow is like bearish as fuck. So it's like I want to play the downside, but then I might get screwed by the market makers. Plus, like all the fintechs have been running up, and it could be okay. So it could be where like the fintechs are running up, and so people now anticipate Upstart to also run up, and it might be time to get the puts. So you see what I'm saying? So yeah, maybe the puts are good. It's just so cheap. Like it's only got 4 billion market cap, and I thought they were profitable. Yeah, am I crazy? Oh, it's got 2 billion market cap. The other one was Wix. Yeah, I'm saying upside, my brother. They've got pretty good margins. And they got 1 billion in cash, so that's... It's actually, yeah, I'm gonna get calls for Upstart. Fuck it, I'm getting the calls, my guy. We're gonna get calls on Upstart. And, yeah. Where's the call? We don't have any calls on there? We're getting calls on Upstart. Novax, actually, I just noticed it was on here, but we might play that. Get the calls on this. Okay, I think that's it. Anybody have any other ones you wanted me to look at? I've been hella streaming for long. Disney, I'm not sure. I guess we could do Disney. Let's look at Disney. Yeah, I'm gonna do the Upstart calls. I think so. I'm gonna have to do it. Disney, where's Disney at? Okay, so we broke out. Yeah, that's lining up pretty accurate. I haven't looked at Disney's chart in a while. Actually, I should clear this out first. What's the implied move on Upstart actually? Or not Upstart, Disney. No, I'm still bugging on fucking Upstart, bro. 26% move, so that thing can gas. Disney's moving 6.2%. It's looking like a boomer move, honestly. 6.2. All right, let's do 6.2. 6.2. 6.2. Yeah, times 106. Yeah, like $7. Yeah, it's hella boomerish. Let's do the downside. So 100. Yeah. I think this might just be a bad play. Let's look at the IV crush on this real quick. Earnings, IV crush, and let's go. Yeah, nah, I'm good on this one, my guy. 25 IV crush, you trying to take my money. I don't think it moves. It's a boomer stock. Don't do it. Although Starbucks was a boomer stock and didn't it gas? Didn't it do some crazy gassing? Well, let's make sure. Earnings. Yeah, see, it didn't even really move. See what I'm saying? Well, actually it did. It did, after earnings, it closed. Let's get the numbers for you. Let's get the numbers. So it closed at 83. It opened at 85. Yeah, no, see, this boomer. I wouldn't play Disney. It's gonna kill your premium. Yes, sir. Don't play Disney. Don't play Disney. I wouldn't play Disney. Lemonade might be interesting. Coinbase, Roblox. Excuse me. I need some water. Bumble might be a play. Bumble might be. Bumble or Lemonade. What you guys want? Let me see. Where we at? Upstart, bro. Insane. Insane. I might do a Sunday night live, but I don't know yet. If I get the green light, I might have to do Upstart. I was gonna do Roblox because I think it's an easy play, but hey, we got a couple people that liked my tweet. Okay. Woo! Okay. So, yeah, it's not working yet. Okay. Aren't you guys excited for earnings? Even if you're broke, you gotta be excited for earnings. Where am I at? We're looking at, we're looking at anticipated moves. Yeah, don't play Disney. You're gonna get crushed on the premium. Implied move, Bumble 15%. Bumble is easy puts, I think, but make sure. It's just, I mean, the chart looks good, but I just don't like it. I think this right here, this gap is a trap. People want to fill the gap, but it's not gonna get filled though. Not right now. What's the float on this? 78 million. Let's look at some stuff on Bumble real quick. Is anybody there? Did you guys leave? I feel like I'm talking to myself. I've been talking to myself for an hour. You guys gotta help the algorithm by keeping the chat active. 72% premium or margin's good. What's PE ratio? Okay, I see you, Bumble. 7 billion. What they bringing in? 8 million? 800 million? You guys gotta let me know that. Keep the chat active, people, so I can get ranked up on the YouTube algorithm, people. Well, they'll be profitable next quarter. Oh my, this might be a call play, but it's been running up already. Are they profitable overall? They are. They're making money. It's not much, but it's honest work. Do they have a PE ratio? I didn't see if they had a PE ratio. It says they didn't have one. So they're not profitable, are they? They're making positive earnings though. Or is that forecast? It says they've been making money. The fuck? Okay. This is not a bad evaluation. I just don't think people are going to be paying for their little Tinder app once recession hits. You think they'll be paying for that? Nah, my guy. They don't have that much cash, honestly. 300 million. So in the last 12 operating cash flow was in, so they're making money. No, they're not making money. Negative margins. Financials. Let's go look at the financials. Quarterlies. Diluted shares, EPS. What? They're making money though. They're making money, big dog. Let me go to a annual basis. Yeah, I think they were profitable last year. Okay. Bumble. What are your thoughts on Netflix? I haven't followed up on Netflix. Don't they have a gap above that need to fill? Yeah, they're working on that. They're keeping her down, my brother. They got her pressed. Let me clear some of this. Well, no, I like this actually. We can work with it. Let me get rid of that. And yeah, I'm gonna get rid of some of it. I just hate messy charts, my brother. You feel me? Yeah, no, this thing is pretty strong, but I'm just scared of the market conditions. And I didn't like their earnings, to be honest. I didn't like their earnings. The chart looks like ready to break out, but I wonder if it's too good to be true. Feel me? Like, what if it's really not? What if it's really not gonna break out? You feel me? What if it doesn't break out? It looks like it wants to break out, and that thing's gonna be stupid crazy. It might go back up to like 245. Yeah, it's getting ready to break out. It's what it looks like. I would just watch this trend line here. What are you thinking, King? How you feeling about Netflix? I just don't like the earnings. The earnings weren't great. I mean, yeah, they beat on earnings, but just like it's gonna, I don't know. It's just gonna take a while. Like, they lost a whole bunch of subscribers. They can definitely get them back, is what they were saying. Obviously, I didn't follow up on that, but I would look to see how this reacts. Well, it already bounced off, actually. That's where I'm at, too, with a lot of stocks. Everyone waiting for the rejections, I feel like. Yeah, I feel you, brother. Everyone waiting right now. Well, a lot of stuff's being waited on that CPI market data Wednesday. So maybe what I should be doing is just sit on the sidelines for a while. Upstart, though, is interesting. And how do you feel about Upstart, Chris? It's just insane what's going on with it. And you don't have to agree with me. You can honestly be real with me. If you like it to the downside or you like it to the upside, you can be real. I don't mind, you know. It's bullish though. 1 hour, it's above the 200 moving average. It's trying to break out. Same thing with Roku. I think Roku was killing me on Friday. This thing's gonna probably break down though. It just can't get above 200 moving average. Like an ascending wedge. It wants to break out. It really does. But it had a shitty earnings. Like, this is one that I think needs to be dumped. But it's like, algos just keep buying it. Let's go back to Netflix though. I guess this could also be an ascending wedge, now that I'm thinking about it. See what I'm saying? You picking up what I'm putting down? Yeah. So maybe it does go back up to 235, but then it actually is just a false breakout and you get trapped, you feel me? But I feel like if it gets above, like, that thing's gonna keep going. It's almost too good to be true. Yes, sir. Yeah. Let's look at the flow on it. Should we look at the flow on it? What do you think? Yeah, I think Upstart has some upside coming if the earnings are solid. Yeah. And a lot of the fintechs were doing pretty good on earnings. Right? I think the only thing that really killed Square was the crypto stuff. Like some of their revenue or something came down on crypto. Other than that, they did good. And PayPal did good too. They raised their guidance. So I'm thinking calls for Upstart, honestly. I'm feeling it. I'm thinking. Now let's be real. What does Upstart do? Maybe we should look at their profile real quick. Operates cloud-based artificial lending platform in the US. See, that's the word though, lending. Like, if people can't pay a lot of this stuff back, what you mean? But it also means, since people don't have money right now, they're taking out debt and they're taking out lending stuff, which is good for the earnings, right? Because there's going to be a lot of traffic there because people are broke, so they have to take out lending, right? And they'll pay it back later, quotation mark. Whether they pay it off or not, that's something to figure out down the road. But right now, current position, I think there's going to be a lot of demand. You feel me? So yeah, I think Upstart's a bullish one for sure. Just my opinion though. Now as far as Netflix, anything to do with lending credit, I'm bullish on. Yes, sir. Exactly. Yes, sir. Yup. So how you feeling about Netflix though? Is it just waiting? You waiting on this one too? Just waiting at the station? This actually can go further back. Like, hold my beer, you feel me? I'm gonna leave it right there though. You ride my dude for show. Okay. What about Netflix though? How you feeling about the Netflix? Are you working or are you just chilling? Are you just working or just chilling? I'm just fucking acting. I'm just moving lines on the chart right now. That's what I'm doing. Yeah. This other thing though, it could be maybe like a Head and Shoulders here, my guy. Oh, that was kind of creepy. A Head and Shoulders, my guy. So maybe it could do that, you know? And then we get the full breakdown. Like 208. 208's at that level. It's that level. I just don't think we fill this gap up here right now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I don't know what to, let's look at the flow for Netflix. The thing with Netflix is they already had earnings, so you don't have any IV premium crush or anything. Cope is staying where it's at. A lot more calls this week. The 235s for next week. They had low interest and higher volume, which is good. They're still kind of down the middle though. Then you have the 240s for this week that expired worthless. Okay. Let me look down here at the biggest option trades for the day. Had a lot of selling puts. A lot of selling, a lot of buying puts. These are hella out though. This is 2022. This is the only one that matters. And this one, these are puts. They're bearish. 17 million. Hold up. 54, kind of in the middle. And then so they're buying puts for 500 though. Why are they doing it so far out? They're either buying them or selling them. This is for September. Oh, so just thinking about September too, like elections and stuff are coming up. So like people say that usually leading into elections, the market rallies. So could be that people maybe we get a rally going into the elections and stuff. 40K premium volume, 40K volume here. Let's look at some of the stuff that's above. Where are we at? 227 right now. So these right here, the 215 to 140 are nice. And then to the upside, just chilling, fam, checking some TA, but I think Netflix comes down maybe back to 207, but a break and retest of I'd buy some calls short term. Yeah, I was looking at the 208 level too, or 207. 208, I got 208, but you know, tomato, potato, tomato. What? Did I say that out loud? The 215s for this had a lot of open volume versus low interest. That's the ones that I picked up really quick. And then everything else doesn't. They already have open. Yeah, everything else already has a lot of open interest versus these are the ones that caught my eye. The 215s, dog. I think those are nice. I'm glad you brought Netflix up. Actually, the 215s are actually nice. This is 1 week though. These are hella risky, but you can hella make money on these. I would probably look at the 819s to be honest. That's what I'd play with. There's nothing on here though. There's not that much volume, obviously. There's a lot of open interest on these 200s. Sheesh, 4,000 to the upside. There's 5,000. Nah, we're good. Yeah, these are big too. The 220s. Low volume, big open interest. 195s are down here. 200s. Yeah. I might I might get a couple of these 200s. Netflix, I'm waiting really to see how it reacts around the support that we're trying to build. But it could keep going up a little bit further. At least Monday or Tuesday maybe. Until we get that CPI data. Yeah, we're gonna throw Netflix up here. Netflix, what are we doing? Netflix puts? I think so. I'm gonna move this down here actually. We were talking about Bumble. I'm actually bearish on Bumble. I know most of my stuff has been bearish, but I'm bearish though. Calls on Upstart, yep. Lemonade's another one. Lemonade. Is it back? Is it still under $20 or where's it at? 24. They beat, but they moved down. So what does that tell you? If they're beating and they're going down, that means they're probably coming down. This might be a sleeper play too, though. How much revenue they're bringing in? Oh no, this is a put opportunity right here. Yeah, Lemonade. I think Lemonade puts, if you want them, get them. I think it's a good one. 15%, 15.9. Okay. Yeah, I think Lemonade's a good put opportunity. Feel like 230 range hard break. Oh, are we talking about Netflix? Let me go back. 230 break. Yeah, it's like it's having trouble. It's been having trouble. But it's not necessarily bad if, you know, if it can hold the 220 level and then the market keeps rallying, then it should break out. But I did see that head and shoulders possibly forming there. You feel me? Kind of like some weird. If it's not a head and shoulders, it's the ascending wedge. So it's not necessarily bad that it's holding these levels though. It's bullish on the month. I'll keep it on the radar. Right now I got a hell of a long list of stuff I'm watching. But I want to do Lemonade. Lemonade might be that sleeper play that people forgot about. Lemonade, 43 million in revenue. Come on, what you doing? IV moves 19%. That's kind of it's kind of high, but Where are we going at? Lemonade, let's see the flow real quick. Let me look at the chains too, because I want to see how much they're pricing in, like how much they're talking about. Oh, and then we gotta look at the implied move too. It's on Monday. Is it Monday or Tuesday? Let me see. Monday. Oh, it's on Monday. Okay. So upstart a few calls and then maybe eliminate a few puts and then retire Tuesday. By Tuesday, what you think? No, I'm kidding. I don't know if that's gonna play out the way I want it. This is good though. There's more volume to the downside. There's I think a lot of people probably closing out their calls. That's what it looks like. Yes, sir. Well, let's do the implied move. It's 15.9. Yeah, this run's insane. Why did they run? Is there news on it? 15.9. 1 minus 0.159. 84 times 20. Let's do 25 in case it runs up more. So 20. Okay, wait, let's do 24. Times 24. So 20. Yeah, 20 or 20, 21. Which is down here. Yeah. Okay. The thing that I'm concerned with is if like they're high risk on stocks right now, or if they're hot again, then it doesn't matter that this is overvalued. People are gonna buy it up. Hold up, I got hit up with some. Oof, I don't want to watch that. He said, I swear to God, I played on the okay. Sorry, I'm on the phone. Okay, I'm back though. Is it working? Oh, I did make the list. Fuck, I made the list, fellas. Okay, I made the list for Sunday Night Live. They got me in early though. Maybe because my plays haven't been doing great. I don't know. Upstart's gonna be a nice one though, I think. I'm gonna have to get the calls with it. Sheesh. Hey Keith, fuck these. Okay. What were we talking about? Lemonade. Oh, I want to look at the IV crush on it. Oh, it was 19%. We want to look at the chains now. Let's close that out. Upstart is crazy. That volume was crazy. Lemonade, how much? Oh, they're cheap. I'm gonna probably get the 19s actually. Yeah, look at this. The 21s for $1. I'd get these easy. Or the 20s. Yeah, the 20s. There's a lot of bearish activity down here. And there's nothing. Well, there's this, but nah, fuck this stock. Yeah, this one might be a good one actually. 20s or the 21s. 21. These are just like calls that have been chilling there. And they just got added too. Look, they just got added on the 2nd of August. Yeah, I like that. Let's look at these 20s. Let's see when they got added. They've been back holding. Oh no, they started. Well, yeah. No, they're chilling. They've been adding to them. So they're like 5,000 and then they added like 800 overnight just this week. Yeah. Lemonade's going to be the play, my guy. I'm going to get the 819s though. I got to play it safe. And they're cheap as fuck. Let me look at these two actually. When did they add? They've been closing these out. Yeah, so maybe the 21s. 21, 20s. Yeah, let's look at flow for this. There's more puts on this. Oh my god, I like this. Yes. Alright, we're gonna do lemonade puts. And that got me wanting to listen to Lemonade by Gucci Mane. Y'all remember that song? Yeah. It's Gucci. Okay, what's up? Yellow everything. Okay. Yellow rims. Big booty. Okay. Alright guys, I think I'm gonna wrap this one up. Unless you guys have any other ones you guys want me to cover. You guys got anything to add to the watch list here? Dang, we got that. Oh, Clover. Clover's been that sleeper, my guy. Let me look at its Clover. It's like a, oh, okay. Bro, I was adding this shit back here. I played it up here. Let me clear this out. Yeah, this is a nice little stock. I like Clove. It's been shorted and stuff. It's doing its little run up. It's a good stock. It's a nice little stock. It's cheap too. Lemonade. I might get puts on this though. Just cause like even when they beat earnings down here, they got shorted. They missed earnings. Yeah, they're just, I don't know if they should be trading down at these levels, but it'd be a nice, let me look at the implied move. Clove, 20%. Okay. So 826. This one just doesn't move much, is the thing. So 250, about 250. Let's look at the chain. Clove, and maybe actually also look at the IB crush on this. Clove, there we go. Earnings, implied move. 22%. I don't know, my guy. Well, it's 13. Let's just look at the chain real quick. 812s, 250s. They're bullish. 7 cents. They're not bad. Might get the 19s. Yeah, look at this. 3s. These are cheap, bro. These are cheap. Let me look at the short interest on this because I know this is a heavily shorted stock. Might need to go to iBorrow desk. Clove. No, this is a heavy shorted stock. 1% though. Okay, so nah. We're good. We're good. We're good. I know the float's like heavily shorted. Let's look at their financials real quick. I like this stock. I just know it's manipulated. So let's look at the statistics real quick. 11% of this entire float is shorted. What's the yeah, 7% of the overall outstanding. Yeah, I don't think they're profitable though. They have a really good price to sales ratio. Like they're very attractive for like a growth stock. Yeah, they won't be profitable for a while though. That's the crazy thing. Okay, but yeah, maybe puts. Let me take a look at the chain, my guy. You know you a scary kid. These are bullish for some reason. These are bearish. So maybe these $3.20. These are cheap, 25 cents for next week. Yeah. I might full port. No, I'm kidding. It's just like there's so many plays Monday. I honestly like Monday, Tuesdays, and Wednesdays plays or over Thursdays. Usually Thursdays got the juice, but nah. It's super stacked on Monday and Tuesday. Like I like Clove, Lemonade puts. Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Plug. I honestly don't want to play Plug. I've gotten burned with that one before. So we only got calls on Upstart, that's it? Nothing else? Oh my, maybe, yeah, I guess so. Okay then. Do you guys see things differently, or am I good on these? Any calls, guys? Any calls? Unity's a gaming. Win might be a call opportunity. Let's be real. I think Win's probably a call just by looking at DraftKings and stuff. I think so. DraftKings just did great. DraftKings. Matterport trash. Hut 8 probably puts, but they won't move. Illumina, I think it's calls. I think calls on Illumina. I was looking at theirs. I just pretty much I would get calls on Illumina. I haven't done the DD, but it looked like it's a good stock. It does. And I think they're expected to move like $20. Yes, sir. And Disney. I said don't play Disney because it's just Oh, the trading desk. I forgot about the trading desk. Let me take a look at the trading desk. How much is it moving? It did already do a stock split, 12%, 12.8. All right. Okay, I'm gonna clear this stuff out. $52 stock. And I don't really know the fundamentals. Let's just get both sides real quick. So 52.78 times, what was it, 12 or 15? Fuck. 12, okay, 12.8. Times 1.128. So 59, not really worth it. It's like $60 up here. Okay, and then to the downside, it would be $46. 46 is like here. It's not really worth it, to be honest. It does move. Well, does it move post earnings? This is no, it doesn't really move. It closed here and then it opened. Nah, this is a bug, bro. It did hella do some crazy shit back here, but usually it doesn't move. It doesn't really move. Yeah, it does. Oh, this one, yeah. Nah, it doesn't really move. I wouldn't do this one. I don't think so. Feel like the 230 range hard to break. Okay, yeah, we read that one. Got you. I got you on the 230. I wouldn't play the trading desk. Do you guys want me to cover Illumina, or are you guys tired? Ready for me to get out of here? What was the last thing we did? We did puts on lemonades, the last one that oh, and Clover. Clover. Puts, I think. Yes, sir. And Win, I didn't really cover Win, but are you guys tired? You guys ready for me to go, or what's up? What's up? I'm kind of hungry, so I don't know. But, you know, the DD's got to get done. Somebody's got to do it. Feel me? You feel me? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Somebody's got to do it. When? Where's it at? 66 bucks? I remember when the homie was buying this up higher. They keep missing earnings. Maybe it's time for a beat. Maybe it's time to get your shit together. Yellow shit, rock yellow. Okay. Win Resorts. Where we at? 7 billion market cap. Oh, this is nice. Where's their growth at? Wait, let me look at their balance real quick. 2.3 billion. What do I think of you? We can look at that one, my guy. Yeah, we can look at it. Let me just quickly look at something for Win. The Canyon. You don't even know it. Let's look at Unity. Let's look at, I think Unity's, I think it was like hell expensive. Like when I was trading at 100, I don't know how people were buying this shit. 14 billion. Where's their revenue? Oh, they're okay. I see you. It's still overvalued though. 11 price to sales ratio. Let me go back. I didn't like it. I think this is like a $20 stock, but the way the market works, it won't take it down to 20. But I think it might be a good time for puts, honestly. I don't know why it's back up at 48. I played this one. I think I made a video on this one, actually. It's a Unusual Whales video I made. I put some in her drink. She don't even know it. Can you believe that Rick Ross said that? I can't believe he said that. Come on, man. Keep that shit to yourself. I think puts, my guy. I've had a bear flag on this thing for a long ass time. It should, like I'm saying, it should be a $20 stock, I think. But what's the expected to move? Let's go to implied move. All right. Unity, is this Unity? This looks like technology. 17%. That's gonna be spicy, actually. A little spicy action here. $1,000, you don't even know it. $40, so $8. Let's look at the chains for Unity. At $1,000, you don't even know it. What are you thinking about Unity, Chris? What do you think? I want to know your thoughts, my brother. My brother. Let's look at the $40 puts. There's a lot. Oh, what is this spicy move right here? I don't think these stick though. These are $50. Trying to trap. Yeah, no, we're gonna chill. Oh, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yeah, we're gonna get the puts, I think. Let me look at the IV crush real quick. I put some in her drink. She didn't even know it. Took home and enjoyed that. She didn't even know it. Come on, Ricky Rick. Got a couple bad bitches I play with. 20% IV crush. Damn, he put Molly all over her champagne. She didn't even know it. The fuck? Come on, Ricky Rick. I think the IV crush was 20%. We're moving down to 40. That's what they're saying. Yeah, on cloud 9 with my spaceship. Let's look at the upside though. We can't just be bearish, you feel me? We gotta be non-biased. 17% was it? I'm about to get you fucked. 56. 56 don't even make sense to me. Yeah, nah, you ain't trolling nobody. They want to catch somebody slip, but nah, we're not gonna slip. What do you think about Unity, my guy? It's struggling. Let's be real. It's struggling. It doesn't have much volume on it. What, 14 million volume? Okay, maybe it's got a little bit of volume. Technicals are saying buy. I don't follow this too much, but the technicals are saying buy. And that might be because it's trying to break out and there's like no resistance right here. But it also looks like a bear, like a bull trap, right? So it's like trying to get out, but the shorts keep coming in. Yeah. Let me move this out of the way, get this out of the way, then move her back in. She moved back in with her parents. She don't speak no English, she don't even know it. Damn. I gotta change the song, people. I gotta change the song. Any song requests, any song suggestions? I already listened to that Kanye song. I was on some trippy shit earlier too. Big 14 shit, yeah. Big 14, bitch, yeah. We got some killers at your door. Oh, okay. Unity official Chris. What's up with Unity, my guy? What's going on? Obviously, my TA is not the greatest. Oh, he's bullish on this one. Yeah, it looks bullish on the shorter time frame. Yeah, if it can hold this 45 level, I like it. Just anywhere around here, really. This nice little support here, King. It didn't break out though. I don't know what you mean. Broke out of the lows. I have this channel though. I don't know if it's accurate anymore. I guess it did break out if I take that. Did break out. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. I'm picking up what you're putting down. Picking up what you're putting down. I don't like it for earnings though. Let me be real with you. But it could do us a price. Isn't it still overvalued or no? Kind of overvalued. Price of sales 11. But we can actually take a better look at that valuation on some stuff. Let's go to best stock research and pull it up compared to the industries. Yeah. If his body red like Kool-Aid. Oh. So price of sales 24 PE negative. This is not profitable. Fair valuation, you know, compared to the industry. Okay. So it just trades rich, I guess. Diamonds on H2. Pockets full of money. Valuations below the valuation. Is this heavily shorted? Let me look at iBarrow real quick, because I know this one's been heavily shorted. Unity software. Nah, it's not. Unity. Let's look at the flow. Sorry. Let's look at the flow, people. Super bearish. No cap. Now, somebody outside my house. 1 second, people. Buying. This is bullish, but 1 second. Somebody's at the house. Probably the pizza man. I didn't order nothing though. 1 second. Alright, no, it was just the ghost. It was just a ghost. These are bullish. These are $44 calls being bought. Oh wait, hold up. These expired last week or this week, 805s. So they were buying $44 calls. Now they're selling $49. Sweeps. What is this last one here? The $50 buy call. This is bearish, my guy. Oh, but this expired. Okay, never mind. They're buying, so it looks like they keep buying calls. No, LOG, yeah, once again. Unity I don't like, let's be real. And there's a cope drop here. And that's probably related to, let's see, what this came in. This came in around... And we got the consistent 5 viewers in here, but they quiet. I appreciate you guys though. Y'all in here just vibing. We doing the DD, you know? That way Sunday, we can just have, you know, you don't work on Sundays, you know what I'm saying? You gotta work Monday through Saturday. Get the shit done. Rest on Sunday. I have to do a little extra because I go on unusual wells and stuff and do presentations and shit. I work 7 days a week, baby. Always on the clock, baby. That's how it is. Mickey Woods. What was I talking about? Cope. Oh yeah, cope drop. What time did this come in? 13:25. I think it's this right here. Calls, hella calls. Let's just go to that time frame. It's probably this, yeah. It's a bearish selling $36 calls. Oh, it's the ones that we looked at, the 50. They're buying $50 calls. I didn't realize they had earnings coming up. Yeah, it makes me not want to play it. Yeah, this one's tough. It could come down to that. We were talking about like 40, or it could go to 56. That's what's priced in. That doesn't mean they'll do it, but it's what's priced in. Yeah. So there's like calls being sold for 805s. I never understood this. Like, why do you do like different date chains? Like, I never understood it. Like, I'm still trying to learn options, but I never understood why they, like, I don't know if they're rolling these out. Like, that's the initial thought, right? They sell the 36 805s for 4.94 million, right? Then what they do is they roll them out for the $50 calls for next week. And they only pay 1 million. So they still took like 3 million in profit. That's what I think, but it doesn't necessarily mean they're bullish. It's more of like, this is the only order that came in, really, because they just closed out this bearish put. Or not this bearish put. They closed out this position, this 45, and they rolled out some stuff, basically. It's a rollout. That's the only big order that came in for it though. 34. See, these came in. These are $34 puts for next week. That's the only other one that's short term. Everything is at 805. November's 819, 40. Oh, these are nice. 48 puts. These are spicy. Low open interest, high volume. Oh, they're selling them though. They were buying them. 100K, buying them straight up. Yeah. Bearish. Let's do like 10K. Yeah, see? Big money going in here. And this is towards the end too, which is good. 100K, $48 puts. I'm thinking they go down. So, yeah, 48, they'll break even at like 43. So anything under 43, they'd make profit on them. Plus, they have like another week. I might get like one of these, but I'm going to see how Monday and stuff goes for me. I'm going to see how Monday goes, and then Unity's not till the night. But I'm leaning bearish for them, honestly. Just because of some of the valuations. I think that's it, fellas. What you guys think? Anything else on here? Palantir, didn't even look at Palantir. But let me make sure I covered everything that I had planned. Because I made the thumbnail. Okay. Oh, Disney. I was supposed to cover Disney, but I didn't. Rivian, I didn't even cover Rivian. Puts, though. It's just going to be tricky because it's towards the end of the week, so it could keep running up like Monday, Wednesday. It could, honestly, Rivian will probably keep running up Monday, Tuesday, and then by Wednesday, you could maybe start getting the puts on Rivian. Coinbase, that's on Tuesday. And did we look at Coinbase stuff? I think we did. I didn't look at flow on Coinbase. Maybe we should do that. Oh, this is not the tab to look at flow for Coinbase. Let me go back here. Yeah, trying to make sure I had everything covered. Oh, didn't we look at the chains on Coinbase? Let me see. Did I? I think we did. Yeah, I think I told you guys I'm getting the 819.75 puts. And what did we say on the flow? Did we look? There's more. Did we say anything here? There's more anything? There's 91 puts. 300K. That's a big one. Yeah, let me heart that bad boy. There's a couple orders on that. Towards the end, you best believe it's coming down. Yes, sir. Yeah, we're just bearish on it. I think it's pretty much straightforward. Here's another big order. It's a $75 put. And it's, oh yeah, that's spicy. That's so spicy. Let me heart that shit. Hey, okay. Yeah, puts on coin, pretty obvious. What else do I need to cover, fellas? Anything you guys need, let me know. I'm about to turn this bitch off. Oh no, we did Rivian too, right? Roblox, easy dub, I think. The thing is, Roblox has, I think, a little bit upside. The flow's kind of still bullish, looks like. Damn, Coinbase is so nice, brother. So nice. I do like Coinbase. They haven't done the announcement yet. I'm on the list. Oh shit. I'm going first. No, I'm going second. Yeah, they put your boy down. Damn. SNL lineup. What's up? I still gotta tell them which one I'm doing. They're all like super nice place. Coinbase is nice. Roblox is nice. Lemonade, I think it's underrated too. Upstart's nice. That's 4 good plays for you guys. What else? Those are the 4 top for sure. Roblox, Coinbase, Upstart, and Lemonade. I do like Dutch Bros too, but the flow wasn't like super convincing yet. And Rivian's flow, I don't think was super convincing. Let's look at Rivian's flow. Oh my dumbass. Irvin? Let's look. There's not that much money going in here. Damn, this thing's been going on for, yeah, see, there's like a lot of calls, but buying, this is bullish technically. They're buying 42, selling the 47. So, well, maybe don't get the puts on this. Is this at the ask? Yeah, they're getting them at the ask too. That's clean work. That's pretty clean work. It could be that they're selling them though. These are bearish. See, they're selling the, yeah. This is interesting though. They're betting 100K. Yeah, Rivian's tricky. Because also, like, you could be saying, oh, well, Lucid's did bad, so that's an easy put on Rivian's. But what if the market makers kind of fuck you, you know? And that's what they're doing here. It's not a lot of money, but it's honest work, you feel me? I'm just curious why it didn't show up here. Or should have showed up with the 25K. Oh, did it show up? Yeah, it did show up, actually. It did show up. It's bullish spread. Okay, Rivian might be tricky after all. And I think it's going to keep running because the chart didn't look like anything was stopping it right now. Well, maybe not. Maybe it does come back. It's bullish on the monthly, holding 34, 35. So it could keep going up. But 42 to 47, so way out there. That shit's way out there. It is becoming a real company now, though. They're actually, like, delivering shit. But the thing is, like, is that the numbers we need. And they're not, like, lowering their prices on their trucks, which is bad for their margins. Because shit's going up, right? Materials and shit. I'm leaning bearish, but the market makers might fuck us. Especially since that's the only big play that I see for that night. Yeah, it might just be a trap. So I don't know. Puts on that, but be careful. And then, yeah, it's stacked early in the week. Dutch Bros is, I think that's pretty much it, right? So, any other questions? I think everybody kind of dipped already, so I might just wrap this one up. Roblox, did I cover Roblox? What do I have on Roblox here? I don't think I covered Roblox. Oh, I didn't write anything down on Roblox. Roblox, I think Roblox is an easy dub. Let me make sure. We did the chart part on it. We did the chart. We're saying a little bit more upside before getting the puts. Just look at the chain and which ones we're getting. What the fuck is that, ruined? Shit. Hey, Joanne's in here. What's up, Joanne? Where you been at? You've been quiet. Where you been? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What are you playing, Joanne? Come on. You've been quiet. You need to be active. You need to help me with the DD. Look, these are the 40s here. For 88 cents. 35. This is what I like right here. Those, maybe the I think that's it. These are bullish for some reason. But yeah, nah, I'm leaning for these right here, my guy. The $40 puts. Yeah. Damn, this song hits. Yeah. No, I didn't mean to remove it. It's a good ass song. Yeah. Damn, Joanne, you said I'm not talking tonight? Okay. Did you what's up with the thank you for which ones? Which ones you playing then? And which ones do you agree with? Which ones do you not agree with? I think Roblox is the banger though. 819. Everybody's busy right now, I guess. That's maybe why they don't talk. $45 puts. Decent volume in there. This is noise for me. For me, honestly. Come on. We're not going to 56. Really? You think so? I'm pretty stuck on puts for Roblox. I'm gonna get crushed. I'm gonna get crushed knowing what I did. So I think that's gonna wrap it up, fellas. I'm gonna go grab some food. I got some Popeye's chicken waiting for me. Yes, sir, with some hot sauce. Sheesh, red hot sauce. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And I think Rivian. Okay, so the thumbnail had Roblox puts, Coinbase, easy dub puts, I think. Disney, don't play it, stay away. I put it on the thing thinking it was a play, but it's a boomer stock. It's not gonna move much. It's gonna kill your premium, I think. Who knows though? Maybe they smash their amusement park numbers and something, but I'm staying away from Disney. And then Rivian, just be careful. They might just be killing people. I don't know. Not literally killing people. I'm just like killing people's premium. What else did I say? Rivian. I said the 81935s though. For Rivian 835s, yeah. We'll see how I'm feeling towards the end of the like Wednesday after CPI data and stuff. I might throw some money at Rivian. Just it definitely be puts. Even though we'll see how the flow's looking on Rivian because right now it's fuzzy. You know, there's not like really big money yet, except for this one. But it could just be, you know, like a one-hit wonder. So it's too early for Rivian. It doesn't happen till Thursday. So yeah, have a good one, my dude. All right, man. Hey, Chris, appreciate you. Yeah. We're doing the purge on the Discord, so just try to stay active. We're gonna wipe out the inactive people in there. But yeah, that's it. It's storming here for some reason. I'm gonna go grab some food. Hope you guys learned one thing at least. If you did, hit the like button for me. And you guys have a great weekend. I'm gonna work on some tweets. So if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, yeah, check out my Twitter if you guys want to follow me on here. I usually post stuff on here too, so make sure to follow me there. Check out the links in the description. Yeah, see, I plugged that shit in right there. But I usually post like free stuff. Obviously, I'm not the best trader, so do your own research. But yes sir, that's it. You guys take care. Good luck this week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. God's good, and yeah, keep moving forward. See ya. Signing out. Peace.